Hello. Good morning, friends. Happy Wednesday. Welcome to My Funded Futures and My Funded TV. I am Terry Trades. We have our amazing, energetic, powerful expert trader, Tom Sabo. Hi, Tom.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the show, the best trading show in all of YouTube land, by the way. Good morning, chat. Hello, Abhishek and Magnus, Trevor, Nate, Aaron, everybody at MyFundedTV, and of course, the best co-host ever, Terry. Good morning. Good to see you. W's in the chat for Terry. How's it going? How's the morning?
Oh my gosh, I feel so excited. So excited. Did you see the news?
I saw the news. I was like, it's happening. Finally, it's happening. It's, everybody's waiting for this day, everybody. And I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
So ready. Chat, did you guys hear about the upcoming news today? Huge announcement. Honestly, I think this is going to take over the world as far as the best daily payout account in the entire world. I was sharing it on my X account and I wrote something about that. And I was thinking, am I overhyping it? And it's like, no, absolutely not. This is going to be the biggest daily payout account ever in the world. The best. Exactly. Rekno says end of day rapid. And it's not just end of day, you guys. There's so many more details that Matt Leach, our CEO, will be sharing with you guys at 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time in the town hall. But yeah, let's get started. I can share the schedule.
Let's go.
Let's go. Today is Wednesday. You are watching Terry, Tom, Pine, and Myth. We have the round table. Welcome, Pine.
Yay.
Welcome, Myth.
Hey, guys.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Morning. How are you guys?
Doing pretty well.
Great.
Nice.
Are you so excited for the end of day rapid update today?
Very excited. Very excited. Let's get the accounts going. I'm ready. Let's buy one.
It always comforts me when I can see and hear a Myth, in the same stream. I can do whatever. Basically, the strategy is simple, guys. Just fade Myth. That's all you have to do.
Anybody think Tom? Ooh.
Yeah.
That's fired already.
Tom looks like an
that's
air
how we do
traffic.
it.
He looks like an air traffic controller over there.
I know that's my other job, but I'm still on I'm in vacation mode, guys. But hey, I love it. Sunny Italy here. Sunny Italy. Yeah. So anyway, the weather is good. Everything is great, but the thing is, again, I'm excited to be here. The round table is amazing, guys. I love to be here.
Let's go.
Yes. Let's go. Yeah, so we have our round table today, and then at 10:30, you will have Ike and Corey. And I did see a question. What time will the announcement happen? At 11 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Join the Discord community, My Funded Futures Discord community, in order to view Matt Leach, share all the details and other updates about our company, our firm that we love so much. And also, hopefully, we can do our watch party together so that you guys can watch it with Ike and Corey. I feel like it's so much more fun to watch it together than like by yourself, because then you can like make comments to each other like, ooh, I love that, or ooh, this is exciting.
Share some ideas and observations and anything you like. But guys, this is really a huge day in the history of MyFundedFutures. This account particularly is like a breakthrough. Like really, everybody wanted this, and now here it is. So I'm excited, like everybody.
Let's
go.
So
let's go.
What do you see, Tom, in the charts?
Well, this morning I was trading a little bit in the London session, so really just a quick rundown here of what happened. London was pretty simple. Actually, the market was kind of edging lower a little bit here, kind of dropping, almost went down to the Asia low down at 796, and it didn't. It actually, I think it just missed the spot. Hold on, give me a second. Oh, no. Sorry, on the micro, by the way, it's really interesting. You guys can check it out on at 4:45 Eastern Standard Time, 4:45 a.m. It actually went down to 796.75 on the micro, which is exactly the Asia low from yesterday evening, 9:25 p.m. Eastern Standard. So exactly perfect relative equal lows down there. So very interesting drop during the London session. I did manage to take a short there, and it was really good. But overall, I want to point out a level on the 1 hour chart. And by the way, yesterday I was glad to see the market actually going way higher. Actually, I jumped back into another trade after the stream. But if we move to the 1 hour chart and go to the left here, and you see all these levels here, we have relative equal highs still. It's not super accurate, but it's going to be somewhere around 30,062. So the swing high here is at 62.50 on the micro. We have another level a little bit higher in the 70s, but the thing is we have another relative equal highs here. I kind of feel like that the market, still kind of pushing back into that level. So I'd like to stay bullish, but let me just switch back to the 5-minute here. Guys, I left the mouse at home, so I only have the touchpad on the laptop here. So anyway, the thing is, I think we are still pushing higher, but because we have that absolutely perfect relative equal lows down there at 796, I would not be surprised on a drop lower and then skyrocket higher. So on the 5-minute, we have overlapping candles, barcoding a little bit here. We can have different scenarios to sweep swing highs and swing lows here. So I'm not going to jump into a trade right now, pre-market open. I'm definitely going to wait because there could be some interesting levels. So yeah, let's just wait for that. And for gold, just a quick look. It seems like we were pushing higher. I wasn't really paying too much attention today on gold, but I did see that we are still really, really bullish. So went up to 42.71, swept all kinds of highs here. So if you're asking me, is it a good time to sell? I would definitely not be trying to sell, especially on the strong push since 7 a.m. this early New York session. That was really, really a lot. Almost went up like $50. And yeah, that was a very strong push. I don't see any demand zone on the lower end. The VWAP has not been tagged since like yesterday Asia session. So maybe a correction, a pullback down to 42.11 is possible. But again, right now I don't want to really focus on gold too much. ES is spiking higher right now in the 5-minute. Wow, I don't know what's happening, but it's definitely pushing higher. Yeah, I'm gonna be focusing on NQ now. Why this could be important? Because if ES is driving and NQ is shotgun again, then we might going to sweep London highs at, look at that. It's well, yeah. So we have the 30K again, guys. I totally forgot that we have 30K, round number, psychological number. Anything can happen. It's really a coin toss. So plan A, we can sweep 30K or higher and then drop to 796, or first we go down to 796 and then shoot higher. Overall, I think there is a bullish sentiment, I think. So I'm still going to look for some bullish trades here. Even if we drop lower, we'll see what happens. But that's all I have. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Pine, I see you nodding your head. Are you in a short, or did you book profits in your trade, or long, or tell us more?
Yeah, I'm flat right now. I tried to short the pre-market, just that little combo trade up there. But yeah, nice analysis there by Tom on the NQ. I'll talk a little bit about YM, kind of what I'm thinking. YM is just crazy bullish. We just made all-time highs, new all-time highs. About what was it, about 40 minutes ago, I guess. And yeah, it's absolute parabolic at the moment. Looking at the 5-minute chart, you still have that Sunday night open gap way down here, and so far YM is continuing to go higher, up 230 points today alone. So it'll be interesting to see if we continue to make new all-time highs and keep going on the YM. As far as NASDAQ goes, I'm just going to look to scalp probably on the NASDAQ. Yeah, I've been getting beat up a little bit on my accounts. I just wanted to clear them out before the new Rapid came, right? Heyo.
Coming soon. So soon.
Yeah.
But I mean, I did lock in another builder payout. That's 4 in a row on the builder. But as you see, I lack some accounts here. I got a new pro here. Unfortunately, I have a new pro funded, but yeah, I locked in 4 in a row on this builder. I can't seem to kill this builder account. I just keep getting payouts on it. But yeah, I'm looking forward to getting those end of day rapid plans. I think that it really is going to change the game on the prop streets. You're going to see people are going to like it. It's different, and I'm excited. I will be picking some of those up today for sure.
Absolutely. Yeah. Funded Shubhab since waiting for rapid end of day.
Oh yeah.
We're all so excited. Myth, what do you think? Are you excited about the upcoming rapid?
Oh yeah, I'm excited. We'll pick up a couple as well. We'll grab us a few of those. But as far as the charts goes, guys, keep it simple. If ES is at all-time highs, YM's at all-time highs, NASDAQ is lagging behind a little bit, but where do we think it's going? I mean, come on. Are we bullish or are we bearish? You got 2 of the 3 at all-time highs. The NASDAQ's certainly going there. I'm going to be in buy dips mode. It doesn't mean the NASDAQ can't go down, but you're not going to see me press that short button. I think it's far too scary to short, in my opinion. I'm going to be looking for longs and longs only. That's the way we play all-time highs. So
okay, Myth says longs and longs only.
Yeah.
All right. I am curious. Can we do a poll and see what our traders in our community are thinking? If you're looking for longs today or shorts, type in 1 if you're thinking longs. Type in 2 if you're thinking short. Type in 3. I have no idea. I'm gonna watch you guys trade.
Yeah. I mean, whatever happens, as I said, if we sweep below 800, let's 796, I'm still going to be looking for long trades. If there would be a sharp drop down there, if it were really taking the elevator, maybe I would even jump into a scalp trade. I know I don't want to look like I want to chase it, but if I can grab an extra 15 points on that PPU trade, maybe I will chase it down to 800. But yeah, we'll see.
Okay, we will see. As far as scheduled news, we do have final services PMI at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, ISM services PMI at 10. We have crude oil inventories at 10:30, and then we also have an FOMC member speaking later today at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we have our President Trump speaking at 4:30. Another Fed speaker at 8:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So a lot going on today. Earlier, we did have some news that came out. ADP non-farm employment change came in lower than expected. It came in at 44K versus the expectation was 68K. So that is the latest news, scheduled news. Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Right.
Anything can happen. There's a really big conference happening right now in Aspen. So we have a bunch of big speakers speaking throughout the day in Aspen. I did see earlier a Fed official was speaking. Fed official Kaskari, he said, I believe now is the time to start slowly moving interest rates up. And he is one of the people who voted to raise interest rates up at the last time. He was one of the people who dissented. So this is very interesting. As we can see, we are at all-time highs, and Myth, you're like, I'm not going to short. Forget about it. I'm only going to look for longs.
Yeah, it's not to say that the market can't pull back and that shorts can't pay. I just think that it's a safer play to long, right? If you get stuck in a short, the question is, how high can the market go? And it can go as far as it wants to go. So, but if you're stuck in a long, how low can the market go is just a different kind of a question. We got relative equal highs, Tom talked about on the hourly, also on the 4-hour. And if you look on the 4-hour chart, we got a lot of low resistance liquidity that we've broken structure on. And there's just no way, in my opinion, that we don't run this. I mean, and it ends, guess where? At all-time highs. So that's my expectation. I think we're on the buy side of the curve. We're in the bullish market. Pine Tree hit the nail on the head with the proper word there. Parabolic. YM and ES have both went parabolic. Certainly NQ is going to follow. It's just lagging a little behind here. So,
okay.
But that's my opinion.
So far, 161 people have voted. Let's check on this before the market opens. So far, we have 71% of you guys voting for longs and 29% voting for shorts. So yeah, keep voting. I'll come back and check on that right before market opens to get a pulse on what our community is thinking. I could not believe yesterday's pump. I could not believe it. Every time
Unbelievable.
I went, and unbelievable, right? Every time I
Unbelievable,
went to check, it was like higher, higher, higher. The last time I checked, it was like NQ was up by over 900 points. I can't believe it because yesterday we also did the same, or not yesterday, the day before yesterday, we did the same thing. We opened up, gapped up, and we didn't look back from the 5-minute or below. And so I wasn't expecting that to happen again.
Well, we could, yeah, go on.
No, good. I was just saying we never got the sweep of the 5-minute low. I know Terry likes that trade. Let's go.
Yeah, back it up, Terry. Back it up,
Bang up, Terry. What are you referring to?
Go on. Sorry. Go on, Terry.
No, Tom, please.
I just was saying, like, Myth was saying an interesting thing about the 4-hour levels as well. So I think we have a 4-hour fair value gap down at 757 also. So we could run that too. So it might turn into a bit of a sell-off, is what I'm thinking. So if we would hit that 800 down there, we might as well drop further down to 757. So we might have some selling opportunities as well. But after that, that push from yesterday, I was kind of expecting that we should be, progressing down into a range, congesting down into a range action here, maybe taking some internal liquidity. And so far, that's what happened throughout the day. So no surprise there. What really boggles my mind is that on the micro, I haven't checked it on the mini. On the micro, the Asia low was perfectly being hit. And to the tick, it's a relatively equal low. And I just have that feeling that there is some unfinished business down there at 796, and that's why I was scared to jump into a long. Otherwise, there were some order blocks before 7 a.m. Eastern Standard. I was thinking to jump in to hold like an intraday swing trade to go long, but because of that Asia low and that 4-hour fair value gap as well, I got a little bit scared, and that's why I just need to wait. And I would not be surprised on a drop. That's all I wanted to add. Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see.
We will see. I can share the current promos.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Yay! Let's go. This promo is still going on. It goes until August 14th using code YouTube. Every single time, you guys, when you use code YouTube, you will always get the best discount. And when you use code YouTube, it does help to support the channel. So thank you so much. You get 50% off any size of the Rapid Builder Pro. Any size. Everyone gets 2 uses of this. After that, the Rapid plans are 20% off. The Pro plans are 30% off. And the Builder plan, we do have 40% off the Builder. And then we have 10% off the Flex plan. Yes, those are the current promos.
Let's go. Just type in the code YouTube, everybody, and you will get the best discount. Never forget it. Thank you.
Thank you. How are we on likes, Tom?
Oh my gosh, you guys have to help me out because my screens are absolutely like I don't see it. I don't see it currently.
161 likes.
Let's go.
Let's go. 100. I love that. Thank you so much for watching us. If you're watching us on X or TikTok, the job is to get to YouTube land, smash the like, and let's get those subs going. We're getting closer to 70K. So thank you for the support, everybody. Let's go.
Let's go. 10 minutes until the market's going to open.
Coop in chat said, somebody in management, please refresh the deal for the people who took advantage of it already. We will spend the money again. I agree. Come on, let's re-up it.
Yeah.
That'd be nice.
Yep. I've already used mine too.
That's what I'm saying. I need mine again too. Let's go.
Me too. I need it for sure. Please. Hello, MyFundedFutures. We need a reset there. So let's use it. All right. So far on the 5-minute, we're still just overlapping, barcoding, candles. Gun to my head, I would say we're going to drop down to 800, guys. Really, I think. Actually, a part of me wants to jump into a sell, but I'm going to wait. I'm not going to do anything right now. We have to wait for the market open. Yeah.
Does anybody see a gun to Tom's head over there? The sounds have the
yeah, there is. Actually, I did wanted to get your permission, guys, because the AC is so cold. It's actually Like my head is going to blow up here with the cold air. But anyway, I have to turn the AC off because it's a ride pushing all this cold air to my head. So I'm really I'm gonna have a headache soon if I'm not gonna change that. So,
Well, Tom,
anyway.
take the Speedo off, put on some pants. Come on.
I know, but that's gonna be another stream.
He's got to slide. He's got to slide out of the chair. He can't just stand straight up.
I can't, but I will try. But the thing is, I'm really excited for this market open. I really am, because if I can jump in on time, I'm ready to take a short. But again, I have to wait for the open. Anyone has a quick plan for a quick pew trade, or maybe just jump in with the full port? No full porting, but with something myth.
One of the things that I like, guys, is like I say I'm not going to take a short, right? But one thing that I do see right now, we see a lot of relative equal lows kind of down here at the 890s. I think if we could break the VWAP and get through that 890, you might see a quick run into the 860s. Again, just because I'm long bias, guess what I need in order to take a long? I need a pullback. I'm not longing up here. I need the market to do what Tom's saying. We need to push down. Let's close the gap. I'm okay with that. And then we can look to take this market up higher. I'm simply not going to take the short. I will sit on my hands unless it's on the pre-orb, which, by the way, I'm not in love with this morning. It's a little bit on the small side, only about 35 points. The ideal range on the pre-orb is typically 45 to 55 points. So I'll still take it. I do like the pre-orb range a little better on the ES. It's 9 points. So I'm probably going to take it on the ES this morning instead of the NQ. But yeah, I agree with Tom. I mean, if we just kind of zoom out here, we got a lot of engineered liquidity below, right? We just kind of grind it up all night. So it would make sense to kind of sweep back into the 800 level, and that's okay. So
yeah, the midnight opening price is about 889, and that's below us. So I think that'd be a good target if you are going to take a quick short. It looks like we're about 40. It's going down. The gap is going to get filled, you guys, if you want to do the gap fill trade. We're up by about 34 points for full gap fill. I really want to hop into a short. I'm going to with just one micro.
I need to turn the AC off. I need to turn the AC off because I'm going to have a brain freeze. I'll be right back. That's the second.
Okay, Pine, you want to hop in short too?
I was thinking about it. I was like, oh man, it was about 50 points up there for that gap, and it started to roll back over. And I was like, oh, but I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait.
You're gonna sit on your hands.
One thing that we don't really want to see it open is for this thing to just run to 30,050, 30,060 area. We really want to pull back because that gives us the best opportunity. Because if it kind of breaks out the top side and just goes up, it's going to be very difficult to get into a trade.
Ooh.
So very, very difficult. Right back up into the pre-orb here, as you guys can see there, back above 915. So that's that 925 candle. Anybody ever notice how we get a lot of volatility on that 925 candle?
Yes, a 925. It is market on open orders, the 10 minutes right before market opens. So it's similar to market on close, but it's market on open.
Right.
Fun fact. I don't know if you know that.
Nice. You learn something new every day.
Exactly. It would be great if we could get that live feed, like to be able to see the market on open orders, like, and as they're changing, because institutions can keep adding.
Well,
waiting.
I am locked in for sure.
How's the vacation, Tom?
It's perfect, right? Really. The view is just the best. Everything. The weather is great. The view is great. And by the way, the foods are great too. Italian food is really great. I can tell you that. And everybody's super kind in the hotel. The staff members, everybody, and I just like the place. So we're gonna take a big walk tonight, and it's gonna be amazing. So yeah, I like to come back every year to Italy. So I'm having a great time here.
Tom, are you eating some langos over there? What are we having?
No, actually, it's just something like that.
See, I knew it. I knew it.
No, actually, they're really good food. Like, I don't really know the names of the food because like they have this local names for it, But like obviously everything is like pasta, everything is like noodles and all those things. Of course, I need to try out some pizzas as well and spaghetti and all those usual things. And I just love it. I love Italian kitchen. Yeah, it's great. Yeah.
I'm speaking my love language. Pizza.
Yeah, I love that. I'm a huge pizza guy myself.
I see Adrian. Adrian is in the house. Congratulations, Adrian. Adrian received his very first payout from MyFundedFutures, and he's just waiting for the payment in his Rise. They're waiting on the Rise, though. Yeah, so probably they already sent the money to Rise, I'm guessing, Adrian, and then you're just waiting for it to come out of Rise. His very first payout ever.
Congratulations. Let's go. First of many.
Yeah. That's how it's done.
Mash the confetti for Adrian. Let's go.
Man, guys, I just have this weird feeling that this thing is just about to just blast off.
I don't know.
Yeah, it is. It's taking off now.
It's tricky. I mean, as I said, there's a high at 990-ish. Anyway, we have the 30K. So also a possibility that we're gonna, spike higher, take out 30K, and then go into a huge drop. So that's why I wanted to wait until 930 here, because I think it's going to be a tricky start. It might not even be able to take out 990 and just take an instant elevator drop down. So multiple scenarios here. I don't know.
Yeah.
But yeah,
wait and see.
It's going. It's going.
Also at the previous day high, you're at 956. So it's kind of looking like it wants to open up above there. It's going to be tricky here. Like I said, if it just goes up, it's going to make it very difficult to do anything. We may have to just sit here and wait unless you're just willing to chase it.
Well, we still have a minute to go, but yeah, this is a tricky one. I'd like to, nowadays I do like to jump into a pre-market trade, but I don't know. Should I take a scalp here for 990? I don't know. I'm scared a little bit here, so I'm not gonna take it. I'm definitely not taking it.
Yeah, could get a pushback down, retest of the 40. We'll see what happens.
Myth, you can take it, all right, because it's not my risk, it's yours. Just take it, all right. Just pull the trigger.
We're gonna wait until the open and see what happens.
30 micros, go for it. All right.
Here we go, guys. 20 seconds. Place your bets, guys. Place your bets.
Good luck, everyone.
Good luck. Oh my gosh.
Pushing.
Looking like it's just going to go to the moon. Be very difficult to press the button here.
Make sure you're using code YouTube to pick up any accounts today, especially those end of day rapids. I see people talking about it in the chat. So code YouTube.
There we go. Need to push back down. Can we get it?
Here we go.
Pull this thing back. Come on.
So far, no surprise. Sir?
There's the 990. Mine is about to just rip off the chart here. Look at this thing.
YM all-time highs again, just ripped up through that all-time highs.
Wow.
The Dow is just cranking.
Maybe we get a pullback now.
We did have AMD earnings last night.
I'm trying to see if this thing can pull back into that pre-orb, but so far not doing it.
Yeah, YM's just a freight train right now. Currently up 344 points.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I'm also trying to see. I think I might try a buy here to go for that 30,062. So I jumped into a buy at 960. What's my entry? 963. Only with one micro, but I want to see if we can get up to the 30,060s. If it takes me out, actually, my stop loss is going to be, let me put it down to 893. So that's going to be my stop, hopefully. Oh yeah, there it is. And my TP is going to be, let's go with 57. I'm not so confident in this one, but we'll see. Yeah.
I kind of think if we pop that 30,000, we get a quick run here.
Yeah, I think so too.
But I
If
wouldn't
we can
mind.
trade above, if we could have some up close candles above 30,000, then we should be seeing a nice run.
By the way, the pre-orb did work there, guys. I was unable to get the order down, though. It rejected the order when I tried to drop it. So finicky with Ninja sometimes. I might try it again here. We'll see. Let's see if it gets a little bit of an opportunity.
Look at that yank off that high.
Yeah, definitely pulling back here. All right, it's in the middle of the pre-order now.
Pulling back for sure. Oh yeah, we are pulling back.
Oh, come on.
We might. Yeah, on the 5 minute, it's also like a bullish order block starting from 950 all the way down to like just where my stop is to like 895. And this is why if the market goes down below 895, I might gonna lean to a bearish scenario then, and we'll be eyeballing with that 800 level. I just want to see, I'm curious if the market wants to run that 30,062 that we talked about earlier. So let's see.
I'm going to take a little stab here above 30K.
All right.
Let's see if we can get the push through there for 10 points.
Ooh, it's going.
Yeah.
Let's see if it can go. We need the 08 area. 20-point stop on it. Yeah. Got stopped out. Oh, well. That's all right. Give it a quick try. ES not really cooperating here, guys. ES kind of pulling back. So NASDAQ's trying to go really out of rhythm. Didn't quite get the push through.
You know, I think as far as we can hold even here just below 30K, we should be good with the bullish plans here. But yeah, here we go, 30K. Yeah, let's wait for it.
Gonna squeeze through there. Just trying.
Let's wait for the 5 minute to close high.
30K. Pulling off that. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for a reversal of some sort.
Yeah,
or a 2-minute harami. YM just made no, sorry. Yeah, YM. Yeah, just made new all-time highs again. So
wow.
54,685 all-time highs and just cranking up 400 points right now. It's just a freight train. It's just not looking back.
So ES made all new highs yesterday, right? YM made all new highs too, Hein, yesterday?
Yes.
Yes.
And so NQ has not made all new highs yet. Myth,
Nope.
Are you thinking it might catch up or at least try?
Yeah, 100%. It's going to 30,094 here, in my opinion. But just how does it get there? It's not really offered us an opportunity to get in yet. So, interesting enough, I do like a potential pullback into the 900 level, but unfortunately, it may not give it to us until after it's kind of ran all the way up here.
Yeah, I'm still in the trade. I don't know what to do with it. And by the way, just letting you guys know, because my internet is a little bit unstable, maybe you're not able to see my chart, but the thing is the TP is staying at 30,057. So I'm still kind of aiming for that 30K and 62 up there. So we shall see.
Yeah, I think it's pretty high probability.
I'm gonna long YM here. I'm just trying to ride the momentum. 678 is my entry here. It's already up to 704. Just one mini. We'll see.
I like it.
Looking for like 738. Got a 638 stop.
Okay.
I mean, it's just a freight train. I don't know. I mean, it could easily pull back. I'd almost like to have a nice a wider stop. See what I'm risking on this. I think I can risk. I'm up about 300. So let me risk a little bit more.
The 5-minute orb reversal trade is being triggered. I'm gonna hop and add to my short. Okay, I just won on the scalp trade short.
Let's go.
Yay!
Nice.
I'm still holding the 1 micro, but I went and scalped with a mini. Yeah.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Good job.
Come on, YM. Keep going.
Okay. Well, this might be a reversal here then. Wow.
Ooh, it's looking juicy.
Nice
We
little
shall
push
see.
lower.
A little more, a little more, a little more. Give me a 738. Get me out of this. Another
Look at
300
that.
bucks. There it is.
Yay, W's.
Awesome.
Let's go, Pine. Nice job.
Just a little 5-minute ORB break on the YM. That's basically what that trade was. I got in. I waited for it to pull back in a little bit, just to get in a little bit cheaper. But just looking at the size of this candle right here, it is just massive. It's let's see if I take a look here, like 180 points on the 5-minute candle. So just super bullish, obviously all-time highs as well. So, you know the saying, never short all-time highs.
Oh yeah.
It's just cranking right now. We'll see. I think if YM decides to fall, I don't know if it'll be today. There's going to be some sort of catalyst, in my opinion, that brings the market down, and then head towards that Sunday night open gap, which I do believe will eventually get filled. I just don't know when. It'll be interesting with non-farm payroll on Friday. That's kind of what YM did last time. Once we had that Sunday night open and had the gap up, and then it waited for, I don't know if it was like CPI or something like that, and then it rolled back over and came down and took out that filled the gap. So YM loves to fill these gaps. It's just you just don't know when. So to go blindly short and say, oh, we're going to push all the way down in here, it's kind of silly. But once you get that catalyst and then the market starts to roll and you see a nice short setup, this could be a target down here at that 52. But right now, you just got to go with what you see, and we are just cranking to the upside. So,
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Does
ES not
seem
really
like
doing
it.
much here. It's kind of stuck in a bit of a range. NASDAQ's kind of doing the same. We did have a decent push up there at open, though.
Yeah, I'm surprised on this sharp reversal here. I might gonna close my trade even with a small loss. I might gonna close it manually and going to shift everything to a little bit more bearish. But yeah, still waiting at square one here. Not
We
much
still
is
got
going on.
still got the VWAP down there at the 902, 903 area, so
Mhm.
kind of holding us up for now. Didn't quite get
Yeah.
there, but does it want to make a new high here? It's kind of indecisive. Holding up there at the 80s. Oh, there we go. There's the pop.
Ooh,
Wow.
come on,
There is
come
the pop.
on.
boy, this is
Now
just take everyone's money.
Yeah,
Market this
it
one.
is.
Holy cow.
It's typically that scenario.
Definitely be careful here. I mean, it's really whipsawing back and forth. You can get caught on the wrong side pretty quickly.
Yeah, it's like, oh, you want to go long? Let me just pull back 110 points for you.
Look at that thing.
Oh,
Let
there.
everyone
come
stop,
on.
then pop right back up another 120 points.
I want this TP so badly. 20 points away from 57 now. We'll see. I'm still in this. But yeah, I almost closed it on this sharp reversal here.
It should
But
go.
yeah.
What are you looking for? 57 up there?
Yeah, that's well, it's only 1 micro, so not a huge deal, but you know, yeah, there's a swing high at 62.50 on the micro, and those are the relative equal highs on the hourly. So I'm just looking for the market to push it into the 60s, by the way. So nothing special, relative equal highs. That's it.
62.50 up there. I kind of like. Got it
Yeah,
marked
yeah.
out.
We do have news in about 4 minutes, so heads up, you guys. S&P Services PMI will come out, and Composite PMI.
Is that red folder or
No, not
No.
for us.
no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not for us.
Not for us. Not for us.
Not for us. Not at MyFundedFutures. Don't worry, guys.
As far as earnings go, too, the rest of the week it's pretty lame. So don't really have to worry too much about earnings. I think the next big one that everyone's going to be watching for is NVIDIA. That's at the end of the month, but
I think this thing it should squeeze right into that 60 area here. Tom should get his profit target. Let's see if it can go. I don't really see.
If I lose this, if you lose this myth, if I lose this trade, would you pay my stop loss if possible?
Yeah, I'll pay your $4.
Okay, $4. All right,
I'll pay you in Hungarian forint.
That's not good. Like
good enough. It's good enough. It's good enough.
Maybe, I don't know. All right.
Oh, someone said in the chat that we have SanDisk earnings today. Yeah, I mean that could move the market for sure. So I guess we do have. It's SanDisk. I guess they're probably in the chip making, computer chips and things. So yeah, that could move the market. Any of those chip names, definitely with the tech,
it'll do something.
Yeah, AMD did report after the bell yesterday, and it was a huge positive news. It looks like they posted an adjusted earnings per share of $1.66 on 11.54 billion in revenue. Whew, so much money.
Yeah.
And it's up 50% year over year, the revenue.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing.
There's the 40s. Come on, we get through the 50s here. You're going to see that Hulk smash candle here.
Yeah, I want to see the 60s up there. Let's go, market, please.
It's going.
Please,
Okay,
thank you.
I gotta get out of my probe trade. Get me out.
Go.
Get out.
Get through there.
Oh my gosh. All I need is like, I don't know how much, 13 points, 14 points. Come on, thank you. You can do it.
It's right there. Just got to pop the 50. It can go.
Yeah.
90 bid says in the chat, says chip names like Lay's and Doritos, right? Yes, exactly. Now you're speaking my language. I mean, Cool Ranch Doritos, best chip of all time.
Rip it up there.
Come on, 60s. Oh my gosh, it was so close.
I got so close. I just didn't want to do it.
What's your TP there, Myth?
I was looking for 62 as well, but
62, yeah. I was looking for 57, but NQ is trolling us.
54. We may jump back in. We'll see.
You're out?
Yeah, it's not. It trailed me out. I was in profit, but it trailed me out.
Let's go. That's good. Amazing.
Yeah.
Good job. He's like, yeah, sure.
Well,
this is
W's for Mitt.
Looking for more. I was looking for more there, obviously.
Yeah.
15 seconds for this news. Let's see here.
Oh my gosh. 10 points, please, NQ. Please.
W's in the chat. Let's go.
Oh, come on.
Let's go. It hit. TP hit.
Let's
guys.
go.
Let's go. Starting to get a little volatility here, a little twitchiness.
Oh, yeah, we got it.
All right. So everyone's flat. Any trades?
Oh, yeah.
Right now?
Yeah. No.
So this will be, everyone's flat. So this will be, I think, what is this? This is, if this market continues a trend day, this will be 3 days in a row. After the 5-minute ORB broke, that it just never looked back, correct? Like on NQ, I think that'll be 3 days in a row.
Well,
honestly, it'll be interesting.
Getting a little bit of a pullback here. See if we flag out here. Maybe we can look for another spot to get long. We still have some highs up there to run, guys. We still got 94 and 76. In my opinion,
94?
4-hour swing highs at 94.
Ah, okay. All right.
So we got, I still think we're going higher than that. I mean, I think we're really going to be ripping, but it's just not really doing it yet. ES not really cooperating. It's back at the opening range, kind of low here. So let's see if it can kind of hold and pop. 30-30 area.
I'm gonna try a short here real quick, just a scalp, just a few macros.
What we
break that Harami. I tried to hop in before that Harami got broke, so I might get absolutely demolished on this.
Are you on the NQ here? I mean, are you NQ? Yeah, I see you.
I might get demolished on this. I kind of got in a little bit too soon. It actually never broke. Damn it.
If we don't get back above the high, you're probably okay.
I'm on the wrong chart here. I was looking for a little scalp below that. We got to break that 20 level, that 16. Basically, come on. I want to keep a stop at the high here.
It's a bit of a slow grind there.
I shouldn't even be in this trade, to be honest with you. It never broke. It was moving so fast that I marketed it in and kind of screwed that up. But I don't know. We'll see. A little luck on our side will be all right.
Mm-hmm. All right, let's see.
Looking for it to come down and test that 30,000 again. And I'm at full clinch.
That's just part of trading, everybody.
Yeah, every day trader knows what that means.
I have no idea what he's talking about.
Well, it's part of it, you know.
No.
So normally on these trades, what I like to look for is, say we're throwing in an inside combo type. Yeah, this is bad. Normally on these trades, I'd look for the break of this purple candle, this harami, and it never actually broke. So this is actually triggering a long.
Wow. Okay.
So when I have these combo trades, I'd take the long, break off that inside bar, and then I would target the high, the high of this harami here. But maybe get a little lucky. They don't always work, so.
Did not quite get above the high there for you. Still kind of holding. Still holding.
All right.
Big negative R&R trade at this point. Shout out Forex Ike.
Yeah, as long as it works, doesn't matter the R, right?
That's
exactly.
Right.
As long as it works.
As long as it works, who cares, right?
We're back at we're at the 15-minute ORB here. We're going to break it.
Well, maybe.
Anybody take the 15-minute break anymore?
I do.
Nice.
Many times, yes.
With minis. You see how she's saying that right there. With minis.
With minis.
Many times with minis. That's right.
Yes.
Guys, if you haven't already in the chat, let's hit the like button. We need 1 million likes.
And by the way, I'm super happy. I just checked it. We were like with 750-ish viewers. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you, everybody. Smash those likes. We are very glad that you're excited about the roundtable and of course the trades here. Amazing team, amazing group, and amazing community here at MyFundedTV. So yeah, and of course, get ready for all the details about the new rapid plan. I mean, the upgrade there. So we are super excited.
Man, I just feel like this thing's about to bust through that high.
I do too.
You think so?
Yeah, and squeeze it.
It's pushing.
Oh, what was that?
Whoa,
what is going on here?
What was that?
Myth, what did you do?
I told you. I told you guys. I told you.
I didn't do anything.
I'm just kidding.
No, you did something. I know you did.
Oh, wow. It actually did fill me on my take profit. So I guess it's a dub.
What did Trump say there?
No, that's a good one.
Yeah, that was crazy.
I don't know.
It filled you? You're out?
Yeah, I'm flat. It was a win.
Nice.
All
right.
I like I said, a little. You can see the order right here. Little luck on my side. Crazy. I thought for sure we're gonna push up through that high.
Yeah, just didn't want to do it.
But that must have been some sort of news or tweet or just a big order came in. I don't know.
It had to be something.
Yeah. I don't see a headline coming in yet on my news feed. Do you guys want to do roundtable?
Oh yeah,
Let's
anytime.
do it.
Let's do it.
Let's
do it.
Let's do it. Okay. If you have not heard yet, the CME is coming out with e-nano contracts. What does that mean? These contracts will be 1/10 the size of a micro NQ contract, for example. So instead of $2 a point, they'll be 20 cents a point. And it is scheduled to come out on the 24th of August. So what do you guys think? E-nanos or micros? Do you trade e-nanos? Yes or no? Pine.
This is pretty cool. These nanos that are going to come out. I think that I probably won't touch them, to be honest with you. But it'll be interesting. I was actually thinking that, like, could there be a little strategy with the nanos, especially the DCA type of traders, the mean reversion traders, a lot. But I would just have to see like how the commissions add up, though, because they're going to charge commissions with these nanos, and if you're getting in hundreds of nano contracts, the commissions are going to really add up. So I'm sure the CME and whoever's collecting commissions is going to love that the nanos. But it'll be interesting, and I think for people that are going to get into futures and trade the personal accounts, this might be a nice little step for them.
So Pine says maybe
cheap
depending
way.
on the size of the the price of commissions. Yeah. Myth, what are your thoughts?
I think the nanos might be good for like a newer trader if they're trying to just get in, get their feet wet, and that sort of thing. Otherwise, I probably will stay away from them. But yeah, I think if it's if you're a newer trader, you just kind of want to get in and learn how to trade, this is going to give you much more flexibility, much more room to kind of learn, get some chart time, maybe with an evaluation, and just get started. Put way less risk on, right?
Yes.
So yeah, I think it's a good thing. So I probably won't use them, but
really, how come you won't use them?
I mean, I stick to the micros pretty much, and those are small enough.
Yeah.
So
thank you, Myth.
no
Tom,
problem.
will you be trading the e-nanos?
I don't think I will. So I will choose micros in this case. Nanos will be good for new traders, and obviously for those traders, maybe with not just preference, but for those traders who are just, as Mitch said, want to get into the game a little bit, just try out things. So yes, I don't think I will be using it. But yeah, it will be for new traders, I would say. So must be. I think they want to cover more about the market, or from the market, from by those traders or from those traders. So that's it. But otherwise, I would stay with the micros for sure. Yeah.
Tom says stay with the micros. Yeah, I'm wondering if there could be an edge in DCA. I don't know. Can you DCA e-nanos?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Moving on to the next topic, large size scalping or micro swings. Which one is better, to scalp with large position sizing with quick profits, or just letting one trade work out through the entire day with a micro? It's under the same topic as the nanos, as far as swing trading it. Tom, what are your thoughts?
To be honest, my goal was always to try to go with intraday swing trades. But the reality is that without the large size scalping, I couldn't have made it to many payouts. So those large size scalping trades were in many cases the ones that were helping me to achieve. I mean, those payouts. So yeah, I would say large size scalping is really good. So I'm going to go with that. Yeah. But those big profits, quick in and out and take the money. Yeah, let's go.
Take the money. Take the big money. Take it and run.
Yeah.
Myth, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, as you guys know, I like to scalp. So I kind of agree with Tom there. I would probably go with the large size scalping. Although there is something to be said. I think swing trading takes a lot more market analysis, a lot more kind of knowing where the market is going. When you're scalping, it's just in the moment, right? We don't care where the market's going in 30 minutes. We just want to know where it's going in the next 1 to 2 minutes. So I think the large scalping is probably best for me. So.
Okay, Myth says large scalping. Pine?
Oh, I got to go with scalping. I really do. I'd like to argue the fact of the micro swings, but definitely if you are swing trading, you want to size down. That's probably the best way. Usually, especially if you're trading NASDAQ, you got to have a wider stop usually. It's very, very, very difficult to catch a nice swing and have a tight stop. Occasionally, I mean, you might get lucky, you're having like a 20-point stop and then catch 200 points or more. It does happen, but usually you got to have a wider stop and when you're swing trading. So, like sizing down to those micros is definitely the way to go. Personally, I like to scalp with a little bit larger size with minis. I like to get in and out 10, 15, 20 points usually. So that's what I like to do.
Yeah, I like to trade with big size too. However, yesterday with that 900-point move, I was like, wow, if you held that whole move with one micro, it would have been $1,800. Is that right? Right? $2 a point. It would have been $1,800 with just one micro, which is like
amazing,
incredible. Okay, the next topic. Do you post your P&L, big P&Ls? Do you post it online and share it, or do you keep it private? Is it like about ego if you post it, or is it about motivation, or do you just keep everything private? What do you think, Tom?
I'm not posting my P&L. So no, I'm not posting it. Not because I couldn't post. I'm just lazy. That's how simple it is. I should not be that lazy. But honestly, my goal, and you might say, oh, I'm just kind of sugarcoating it or something, but my goal is not really to maybe that's not the right expression, to flex with some huge payouts. Of course, sometimes I do post some really good trades which I liked because it happens every now and then, but like it's not something I do, or it's not part of my daily routine. I'm kind of focusing on the trade, by the way. So whenever I posted something like that, it was mainly because of the trade, how it played out. So profit or P&L wise, I just don't really care. Not that I don't care, but you know what I mean. It's about the trade. It's not about the P&L. So I don't really post it. That's it.
Okay. Tom says, nope. Nith,
Nope.
What do you think?
Yeah, I'm kind of the same. I don't really post mine either. I mean, like you can, but it's just not something that I do typically. I don't think there's anything wrong with posting it. If you do well and you get a payout, I think posting it's just fine. So, but I just don't do it. I'll post it maybe sometimes like privately in the Discord or something. But for the most part, I just kind of keep it to myself. So.
Okay. Myth says, I keep it private. Yes. Pine, what do you think?
I post.
Don't post?
I post. Yeah, I post. I post my P&Ls. I mean, it's part of being an influencer and promoting myself. I'll just be fully honest with you. I do post my P&Ls. Now, one of the things that I really try to do is show like this is how I did it. So I'll explain like, well, yeah, I scalped a lot to do this, to get over this buffer, like, and then I'll show my chart, like, look at all these scalps, or like, oh, did you guys catch those inside outside bar breaks or whatever? And so I really try to bring some sort of value instead of just saying some sort of number that's on social media, because I see that a lot where people just not to name names, but will just pluck numbers out of the thin air and just say, I made $50,000 today, and that's all the tweet is. It's like, okay, you did. Like, well, how did you do it? And so I think there is some value in that, where if you find some people that like can help you in showing P&Ls as for inspiration, but also showing you like how they did it.
Yeah, you're like, you've got to add more to it.
Yeah, right.
Okay, next topic, New York Open or the afternoon session? Who should go first? Myth, what do you think? Do you trade only New York, or do you also trade afternoon session?
Yeah, I typically trade both. I think the afternoon session, being a bit slower, can sometimes help people. It doesn't necessarily help me all that much because I'm I like the fast movement. Either give me what I want or take my money pretty quickly. So, but I could see, I think that both can be profitable. And depending upon your personality, you might like the slower sort of moving overnight. And sometimes the overnight session's better, right? Sometimes we get the best movement in the overnight session as opposed to the New York session. Sometimes we have 500, 600, 700 points overnight, and we only move a couple of hundred during New York. So, but I do prefer the New Yorks personally, but I think you can make money in both.
Okay, thank you, Myth. Hein, what are your thoughts?
Oh, I love the New York Open. I hate slow markets. Funny because that's usually what I stream on my own channel, slow markets. But I like those fast moving markets. And usually if I come in the afternoon, I'm down money. That's usually the case. I'm trying to get money back that I lost in the morning instead of just walking away red. And so the New York Open for me, waiting for your setup, and if your setup's there, then just size accordingly and let it go. Just let it rip. I like to know that I'm either gonna win or lose real fast. I can't sit through swing trades, so trying to sit through a slower market just kills me.
Yeah. You just want to get it on, get it done, over with, take the money, run, or take the loss and just be done. Yes. Tom, your thoughts?
Well, I would like to go with the New York Open in this case, although I'm trading London session as well. But because I'm in Europe, the PM session for me is kind of going into like the 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Time there. And the thing is, because even though I said scalping, I also like to take some intraday swing trades as well if I can. I just don't see that kind of happening and being able to develop in the PM session. PM session could be good for scalping, of course, I think. So that's good. But I'm going to stick to the New York AM session in this case, definitely. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much, you guys. I see an important announcement by Abhishek. Says in our chat, new plan, use code YouTube to get end of day rapid at $126, no activation fee, daily payouts, no consistency unfunded, no intraday trailing drawdown, no payout cap, a 90-10 split, news trading is allowed. Whoa, no daily DLL.
Wow.
Either.
Let's go.
It's happening, guys. It's happening.
My gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so good.
It's different than everyone else. And I'm telling you, it's going to force the prop streets to change the game. I mean, this is going to change the game on the prop streets. It really is. It's one of the, I'm picking some up, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Take my money. Take my money.
That is incredible. Okay, well, we're going to have to come back to this because it's very exciting news. And I see that NQ is also reversing. But last topic, let's finish off this roundtable. Automated targets or manual exits, meaning do you just like set your bracket at, for example, I will set my TP at 25 points, no matter what. It's just a set bracket. It doesn't matter. Every single trade has that exact TP and exact stop loss. Is that a good idea? Or do you just manually enter, exit, depending on what's happening in the market? Tom?
Well, I would definitely go with the manual exit because like I always go with the, with swing highs, lows, fair value gaps and everything. So I do have to determine the risk according to those levels. So I'm not saying it's wrong thing to use always fixed targets. I know those systems are working as well. It does require a different type of risk management, but I like to have my targets typed and managed by risk manually. So it's always going to be different on my end. So different levels all the time. Yeah, manual exits for sure.
Tom says 100% manual. Myth?
Yeah, I mean, I think you could do a little bit of both. So like what I normally do is I'll have a fixed target maybe for a larger portion of the size of the entry. So if I'm going with 5 micros, I might take 3 off at 20 points and then, 1 at 30. And then I can put the last runner sort of at a target that I might have, that's more R. But I do start off kind of with a bracket and then I'll adjust it accordingly. So, but I think you could do a little bit of both. I don't think there's a right or wrong answer there. Either way is fine. So,
yeah. Okay, Myth says both. Best of both worlds. Pine?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely. There's no wrong answer here. It's kind of whatever fits your trading style. If you got something that's back tested, where you're using automated targets, if someone's like, well, I'm just going to scalp, make 10 points every single day, and you're doing it systematically, there's nothing wrong with that. Personally, if I have something that's back tested, proven, then I will use those automated targets. But if I'm trading a little discretionary, and I'm looking for inside outside bar breaks or haramis, I don't really like to have a profit target. I like to just see what the market's going to give me. And so every once in a while, you'll get that kabooshing or whatever if you go short, and you get 100 points out of nowhere. And then I like to just trail a stop if that happens. But yeah, so there's really no wrong answer. It's just kind of you just got to do what fits you, and like you guys, I kind of do a little mix of both.
Thank you, Pine.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Great job, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. W's for the round table.
I'm curious, everyone in the chat, like, what do you guys think about the new plan, end of day? W's in the chat for that. I see a lot of positive things. People are liking it. I mean, I think it's pretty awesome.
This is so exciting. I can share my screen. I do have it pulled up, so we can take a look together because I want to see this.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, here is the rapid plan. Let's type in our code. YouTube. Okay, apply discount. 20% off. Amazing. Okay, let's look at the 50K plan. So we save $31. This is the rapid plan. Perks and features. Maximize your payout with 90% profit split in Sim Funded. Zero activation fees. Daily payouts eligible after the first day of trading. $500 minimum, up to $10,000 profit per day. Wow, that is absolutely incredible. With this fee of just $125.60 using code YouTube to receive the sale. No daily loss limit in eval and Sim Funded. I love that. I love that. End of day max loss in eval. Okay, end of day max loss in eval. Trade up to 5 contracts in eval and Sim Funded with 10-to-1 micro scaling. So that means for every 1 mini, we can have 10 micros. So you could have up to 50 micros if you want. For people who love to DCA, this is fantastic news. Let's look at the trading rules. Dig in here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, as we can see, no activation fees. I like this. Max drawdown on the 50K is 2K. End of day, no DLL in the eval rules. We get 5 contracts. This is huge. I mean, if you love to scalp the way I do, sometimes I do like to scalp just 1 or 2 points. If I go in with 5, that's like $100 to $200 of potential profit. So the funded rules, 2K, max drawdown mode. Oh, real time. Oh, I think that should say end of day, right? That probably just needs to be updated. Okay.
I think you're on the wrong account, Terry.
Oh, am I? No, rapid.
Maybe.
Rapid end of day.
Rapid end
Oh,
of
you
day.
have to choose it. How?
Yeah.
Oh, right here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Thank you. I'm glad I made that mistake so everyone else can learn from my mistake.
That's
so
right.
So make sure you choose this, you guys, if you want the rapid end of day. And it's a limited time. So make sure you snatch them up before, because we don't know how long this is going to go for.
Yeah.
Okay. Funded rules. Oh, here we go. End of day. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So it's max 3 contracts, not 5. The old one is 5.
That's enough. That's enough, guys.
Plenty.
That's plenty. Yeah.
This is good too. If you love the old rapid, you can still purchase the old rapid if you would like. And then what else? Consistency rule, no consistency. Scaling rule, no scaling. Payout frequency daily. Amazing. I love it. Do you guys like it? Do you like
Yeah,
it?
it looks
It's
really
the
good.
best.
Yeah,
I like
best.
it.
Gonna try to take
So-
advantage of it if we can. Let's see if we can do it.
Yes.
Yep. So on the rapid, to get a payout, I'm looking. Yeah, what you basically want to do is get it to $2,600. Once you get to $2,600, you can take out a $500 minimum payout. And then that's up, and then you can go up to 10K, I believe, right? 10K.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's really, really good. And then the 90-10 split, which is really good. Better than most, right? So
Yeah.
we like that. And then it's 10-to-1 micro scaling. So everyone that likes to trade the micros, you can trade your full size up to 30 micros. So
Yeah. I want them. I have to save some money.
Yeah. So by the way, just so you guys know it,
for
exactly, yeah, I'm gonna buy more as well. And by the way, just for you guys who are new to know it, in the prop firm industry, pretty much like the 80-20 profit split is the standard. And that extra 10%, the 90% profit split really gets it even more juicier. Trust me, I know it, and it's really, really awesome, to have that 90% there. It's really good. So.
Yeah, that extra 10% is huge because I requested a payout from the Rapid account. It was 80-20 split before they changed it to 90-10, which, by the way, you guys, MyFundedFutures is so amazing because any retroactive rules that are made, like, they're always positive rules. They never make a retroactive rule in the past that is like bad. So anytime they make any changes going backwards, it's always a good thing for us. And then changes moving forward, like the 80, it used to be 80-20 at first when it first came out. And then MyFundedFutures made it even better and made it to 90-10. And but I had taken a payout of, it was over $8,000 requested. And just that extra 10% now, it would have given me an extra $800. So it is a lot of money. Like, I can think of a lot of delicious foods I can buy with $800.
Oh, it really adds up if you're taking daily payouts. That extra 10%, it really does.
Yes, exactly. I do see a question: how many accounts can we have with MyFundedFutures? So for the Flex accounts, we can have up to 3 in-sim funded. So this is all regarding once you're funded. So you can have up to 3 of the Flex and Sim funded. We can have up to 5 of the Pros of the 50Ks in Sim funded. And then the Rapids, we can also have up to 5 of the 50Ks and less in the Sim funded. Any size accounts that are 150K, we can only have 3 in the Sim funded max. So if you love the 50Ks, this plan is really great to have up to 5 of them in the Sim funded. As far as evals, I believe we can have like 10 in the eval stage.
I think so too.
Yeah. And here's a hack. Don't tell anyone, you guys. Here's a hack.
We love that.
You can only do this if you're not a beginner, because if you're a beginner, like, you got to be responsible, right? Like, you have to be responsible. There is a learning curve. But if you've been at this for a while and you feel like, okay, I can get payouts, you can have more than 5 evals. And then with the instant activation, this is how some people are able to just turn out a lot of money in potential, payouts. So because you can do the instant activation, even though the accounts, so this is a new one, right? The new update. And there is a consistency in the eval. Abhishek, do you know the consistency? Let's see here.
It's 30%. So let me do the math here. $900 a day is where you want to be.
Yeah.
So
here,
basically,
rule.
yeah, basically 4 days. You can get it passed, but then instantly activate it in 4 days. It'll slow you down a little bit to not just go through so many evals. I think this is going to be good practice and something that I need to do myself just to slow down a bit. I was actually talking about that earlier today. Just like, man, I need to slow down a little bit. So this will help you slow down. And so I think that is a positive. Can I just say one more thing real quick? I know we're promoting the Rapid end of day, but RIP the Flex plan, I guess. It says right here on the website that as of 11 p.m. Eastern time, at today's date, the Flex plan will no longer be available. So use code YouTube if you're picking up any Flex plans. If those are your favorite accounts, you might want to pick some up now, because it says right here on the website that it's no longer going to be available. For it might come back, but so the flex plan is gone after today. So
Woo!
Get
Today's
it, guys.
the last
Get
day.
it. Get it.
Gotta get it. Gotta get
Yeah.
it. So with the 30% consistency, the thing is that if you choose the trade evade option when you check out, you can do instant activations. So what does that mean? The reason why I bring it up is because this is a hack that I do. You can actually get funded faster because of that instant activation. So if you think about it, in 24 hours, so like normally our other accounts, it's a 50% consistency. So the fastest that you could potentially pass it is in, people think, oh, it's in 2 days, but really it's not, because if you do the instant activation, let me explain. Okay, so if you buy an account, if you buy an eval during New York and you get 50%, now New York closes and then Globex opens up an hour later. So now you get the other 50%. It's still the same calendar day. You get the other 50%. Now you've reached the 50% consistency. And then you go into your MyFundedFutures dashboard and you hit upgrade and it's instant. And so there you go. So you actually got funded in less than a day. So that's what the 50% consistency. This is just what I do, you guys. I'm sharing the secret sauce. I hope nothing changes. And then with the 30% consistency, so if we think about it, you can actually get funded faster than in 4 days. Just a secret sauce.
Yeah. Small hacks.
Yes, exactly. Tom, you know about that hack.
I know, but it's a secret, guys. Keep it
Let
secret.
the secret out.
All right.
Okay, what is the market doing? Anything?
Yeah.
we
we're
got a
ready for the
raise
duck
going
race.
on.
Let's go.
Okay. All right. Lock in, everyone. Here we go.
Whack,
Good luck.
whack.
Quack. Okay. Oh, that's a different. Okay. Anyway, let's go. Oh my gosh! Look at these creatures.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck. This is not even a duck race. What is this? All right. Okay. This is so
Brain
cool.
rot.
Brain rot. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
They're off. Let's see here.
It seems like a bunch of superheroes.
Oh, I love the dolphin. I think that's my favorite one.
There's Tom pulling out to an early lead.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bridge there. Oh, that's Smith dancing on the. Okay, that's cool. What is going on? Look at all the. Okay. So many different type of.
What is that? A
Ooh, the
beaver?
elephants. Moving so
Oh my
quickly.
God! What? That's a cat and a fish.
Catfish.
Catfish. I know.
Tire
What?
frog. There's a gator.
Go.
Oh, no, wait. That's a watermelon gator.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at the banana.
How many winners are we
What?
going to have here? Are they going to be 10 or 15?
15.
The more the better.
Top
Top 15. All right. Top
There we go.
15.
Go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yay!
There's the winner.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh my gosh.
Top 15 winners win a free account from MyFundedFutures. You do have to be present to win, so make sure you tag at MyFundedFutures prop firm to claim your prize. Congratulations.
Check out the name, everybody. To claim your prize.
Let's go.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
How are we on likes?
Yeah. How are
could
we on
use some
likes?
help
I
on
can't
likes,
check it.
for sure. We gotta get the likes. Viewership's
Yeah,
way
yeah.
up. I think people are loving this rapid. Everyone was anticipating. So
297 likes. That's pretty rough.
350, guys. We need the 350.
Let's go.
Let's go for it.
Let's go.
350 is easy. Easy. And by the way, I did hop into a short trade at 980. I'm kind of targeting 867. Well, that would be the 7 a.m. low. There's a flight candle down there. Nothing special. There was just a bearish order block on the 1 minute, and it seems like it's kind of having an effect on the market, or at least it's respecting that level and kind of goes lower. And of course, we do have the Asia low and the 4-hour fair value gap down there. Maybe it wants to sweep some levels. We have relative equal lows around the midnight level, but I thought like, hey, let's get a little bit lower. So 867 is my final TP. Stop loss is at 30,043. I'm expecting a bit of a sell-off here. So that's it. Just one micro, guys. Yeah.
Ooh, I like it. A reversal.
Reversal kind of thingy. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see.
The midnight opening price is still below us. So the last 2 trading days, we did not go and retrace back to that midnight price. I really like your short, Tom.
Well, at this very second, it looks good. Who knows what's going to happen in a minute? But, you know, since it seemed to me that it failed to push higher, and as I said at the start of the stream, like there is some unfinished business down there. Even if my take profit at 867 is not going to get taken, the New York midnight level, which is like, maybe it's not accurate, but it's somewhere around 889, 890. I think it should be tagged. So, you know, I might close it manually. If I see it's struggling in that area, I might close it manually. But I'd really like to see a sell-off even way lower. So as I said, down to the 800 to finish up that Asia low down there. It's just, I want to see that happening. Yeah.
Yeah. Pine. Look at Pine, you guys.
That's so cool. That's a streamer right there.
I'm grooving. I'm just chilling right now. I think that I just think that I mean, I like to maybe roll down into that gap there to kind of fill 60 points lower maybe. But yeah, really no setups for me. We're just kind of rolling over, and I like Tom's trade here.
Yeah, if it pushes through that bottom of the 908 candle there, it probably gets a little bit of an acceleration. There we go.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, okay.
It's going.
Let's go.
Let's
go. Let's go.
I'm gonna hop in for a quick scalp. Go.
Okay.
We're through the WeWop.
Midnight level should be getting swept. I mean, we should be getting below 900, I think, for for a quick scalp. But yeah.
Down to kind of 901. I think we'll see there. You're going to probably take a little minute here to get through this 890, 900 level.
Yeah.
It's still tricky because the opening range low was just taken. So we might see a reversal here. So if I want to play it safe, I can just actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it to break even. I'm going to move my stop to 978. So this is a free trade now. But I'm fine because the previous trade was really good. I don't mind if I get taken out here. The only problem is that we taken out the opening range low here. So if the market's idea is just to sweep those stops, then we could see a very strong push to the upside. So I don't want to be in that. So I'm fine with the break even here. Look at that. What a push. Actually, this is a bounce here, but yeah, look at that. Yeah, this might gonna be it for this trade, but yeah, who knows.
I did get stopped out of my short, but I'll be eyeballing it again. For a scalp potentially. You guys, Ike and Corey are backstage and they have a surprise for you.
Oh, okay.
They are looking so glamorous. I don't even know what they're wearing.
I want to see them.
They have a surprise outfit for you guys.
Ike looks amazing. He's like oh my gosh, like back to being a teenager. Yeah.
I'm looking backstage like,
and oh my gosh, Corey is like, okay, so you guys, it's gonna be amazing. They look amazing.
Oh, the boys are ready. Dr. Lexus says unk time.
Unk time. I got taken out break even, so it is what it is. But yeah, it's kind of crazy market, but yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it really is. It looks like we're just consolidating within that opening range area, really. We're still trading, it looks like above yesterday's high, New York high, but it's just consolidating. I guess it's not too surprising that we consolidate at least some today, considering we had 2 massive run-up days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
sure.
Of course, it's like hindsight, right? Hindsight. My hindsight observation.
And this kind of is on the way to develop into a situation what I really hate. So whenever I put my stop to break even, it puts me out at break even and then goes to original TP. That's the worst case. I mean, that's the worst scenario. I just hate that. So I'm a little bit like not angry at myself, but I'm kind of keep telling myself I shouldn't have put this trade to a full stop. If it goes, I mean, to break even, if it goes to my original TP, I still believe and I have a very strong conviction that we should be sweeping below the New York Midnight level. So anyway, I'm not going to jump back in again. But anyway, if you guys are, if anyone is holding a short, I think it's looking good to go below 900. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Hopefully. Not financial advice. Yeah.
I see Ike backstage here and Corey. They will be on in a few minutes here. All of a sudden, I got distracted because Ike took up his coffee mug and he's color coordinated. His coffee mug matches his background, matches his outfit. It's like I'm so impressed. My goodness.
They came prepared, guys. It's gonna be fun.
They really did. There will be another duck race, so stay tuned. If you did not win in the last race, there's another one coming up with Corey and Ike here. Yeah, I don't really know about this market. I think I'm just gonna call it a day after we finish stream here together. It's just kind of icky for breakout traders. Yeah, Myth.
Yeah, it's very choppy. It's just not, like you said, just range bound here. It's just not doing anything. So if you're looking for bigger moves, you're getting stopped out break even, and then it's just not doing anything. So
yeah. Do we have any news? I forgot. I know you mentioned it earlier, but do we have any news for the rest of the day or speech or whatever happening? Not sure, right? I don't think we have.
So in 2 minutes we have crude oil inventories, which by the way, okay. I've been keeping an eye on crude because it's been so sensitive to the war headlines, and so that'll be interesting to see what happens in about 2 minutes if you do trade crude. And then at later this afternoon, there's more things at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have FOMC members speaking. President Trump at 4:30. Yeah, so lots of things down the pipeline here. Yeah, so we have 2 minutes.
Oh my gosh, it's selling off.
Oh, you're on vacation. You're on vacation.
Yeah, we're in vacation mode. Yes.
Yes. So last minute thoughts before we head out, Myth?
Guys, don't sleep on the rapid end of day plan. Let's get that going. Don't wait until it's gone. If it does end up being gone, pick it up while you can and take advantage. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you, Myth. Pine?
Daily payouts, the best accounts to have. So win for MyFundedFutures with these end of day rapids. I'm gonna pick some up today and
daily
try to get them started. Start hitting those consistency targets. Code YouTube.
Thank you, Pine. Tom?
Yeah, get the daily payout account because this has really become my favorite. So get it, use the code YouTube, and there are still more opportunities. And I just want to thank everybody for being here today. Stay with Ike and Corey, and of course for the town hall meeting. It's gonna be an amazing show today. More details about everything. So stick around. It's gonna be amazing. Thank you so much for being here with us.
Thank you, Tom. I hear a theme. This is the first time everyone's last minute words is this exact same, which is the daily payout. Super bullish on MyFundedFutures, you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Please welcome Ike and Corey. Bye, guys.
See you.
Bye-bye.
Well, what it do? It's good to see you again, old friend. It's good to see you again.
How you been, my buddy?
Oh, my goodness. I just couldn't hear you. Can you say that one more time, please?
I said, how have you been, buddy?
Oh, great to see you, Corey. I got to tell you, I had to come up from my shack just because of this new rapid end-of-day plan. I mean, when we were growing up, our prop firm was a rich uncle, am I right?
Who you telling?
So really, I mean, I feel like we got to talk about this, let the people know. And I mean, just getting used to this, just getting used to the markets these days. I mean, when we were growing up, if the market moved 3 points, it would be on the news, am I right?
Who you telling, boy? This right here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and dogs, woof woof, meow. Y'all see this new rapid in the day? Let me tell y'all something, boy. They cooking with grease. I tell you, boy.
I mean, there's been plenty of firms that would pay daily, but never where you have the end of day drawdown, right? Because that was the biggest problem, is you can't let a trade run because of that end of day. You'd have that trailing drawdown. You'd have an 80-10, 80-20 split. I mean, this plan, they're saying limited time because they got to see, because this could be a big expense to them, because this is a moneymaker for traders. If you know how to trade, let me tell you, this is the plan. This is the plan for sure.
This thing is like French fries with ketchup and some Kool-Aid with ice in it. Yeah. Hey, grandson, go give me some Kool-Aid.
Huh?
Get me some Kool-Aid.
The thing about this on this that I just want everyone to know about when they're looking to buy it, it's different than a lot of other things on the eval, right? It's a 30% on the eval, meaning it would take about 4 days to pass. So you're going for like 800-900 a day, and it's a nice, easy way to pass. It also makes sure you're not just trying to YOLO to catch a quick couple dollars. But I mean, so you got that, but then on the actual funded, which is what counts, no consistency. So there, and news trading. So I mean, you know, if you've got if you signed up to that Trump news alert where you get the news a little bit early, you could jump on a news trade real quick and make a couple bucks. So I mean, this is a great plan. I'm definitely picking up a few of these.
I plan on going into my piggy bank and I'm gonna get me one of these. We're gonna try one of these and see how it go. How about you, buddy? You said 3 of them.
I think what I'm going to do is try to make some money in the market today on this funded account and then go pick up a couple of these evals. You know, play with house money. That's what I'm all about. House money. You know, at this age, we got to conserve the money we got, you know.
We're going to see how that's going to work.
All right. You know, growing up, the NASDAQ was just called the NA. You know, they didn't have the ZDUC until I think the 70s. When I was a kid, it was like, oh, you trading the NA today? My first indicator was looking out the window, see if someone looks stressed. I'm like, uh-oh, something bad's happening. You know, things change.
You caught me off guard with that one.
All right, I'm gonna pop open my chart over here. I'm gonna draw this up, the old 30-minute here, and we're gonna get to it. How's chat doing? How's chat, everybody? You know,
I hope y'all having a good time. Go ahead,
sir,
brother.
Yes, sir. I wasn't looking at chat. You know, it's with these old eyes. You know, it's hard to look at multiple screens here, but we got chat. Okay, funded seniors. Yes, funded unks. You know. All right, I'm gonna just mark up my chart right now. As many people know, I used to start trading on a stone. We had to. It would come chiseled in the chart. You know, you get an update every week on where the price is moving. Now, the way things are moving, it makes my job so much easier to trade. I'm going to just draw this up real quick on the 30 and see what we're doing here.
Well, I'm looking through my 2020 bifocals, and right now I don't see nothing. You know, I got a lot going on. I got 2 phones over here. I got a mouse. I got this computer screen. I don't know. We're just going to wait to see what's going to happen, buddy, because I'm lost over here.
You know, I'm kind of liking a little wick fill over here. You know, this is a funded account. Oh, let's see if I was too late here. But I like how price closed below support, retested, and now it's kind of leaving a nice little wick here. I think I can go for a little, try to get a little scalpy over here. Let's see if we can catch something here. Little sell stop action. Gonna go for over here. Remember, guys, code YouTube on this new rapid end of day. It's not going to be around forever, like Unc and I, you know, Corey and I. We've been around forever, but this plan, I've seen them come, I've seen them go, you know. So I'm definitely going to pick up a few before they cancel or change things around, you know. Oh, okay.
I think I missed my entry. I did like this. It got a gap fill and it's continuing down. I didn't get it.
Oh, I just got wicked in there. Let's see if that's a good wick in or a wick in.
I'm in with you, brother.
All right, let's go. You know, pretty much this is just trying to fill that wick down. That's all I'm really looking for here. All right, up 170, up 230, up 250, up 265.
We taking some of that.
Got him up 215 on that. A quick $215 one time real quick for 11 points. 11 points.
I got $148. I can go to the grocery store, give me some of these high eggs and this milk.
Oh, I just made $215. I think I'm gonna buy everybody a house in my family. I think I'm about to retire my mom.
You know, back in the day, the houses was super cheap. Now they high as a kite.
I'll tell you that the rent is too damn high. That's how I feel. You know, I'm still liking a short over here. I might try to pull into another one over here on this wick. You know, I mean, what time is it? 10:37. Maybe I try one more here if we could catch. It's too late. I was talking about it instead of being about it. And that's something we learned growing up. You can't just talk about it. You got to be about it. But called it out, but I was a minute too late on that, or a second too late. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it. The good thing about being this old is I already forgot what happened. I already forgot.
We don't need
that. I missed out.
We don't need that I figure later thing.
We don't need that technology in my day.
No, we don't need that no more.
We would just forget. Yes, there is a giveaway today. I see somebody asking. There's gonna be another duck race, 20 accounts, I believe, giveaway. So please stay tuned. You know, we're gonna try to live long enough through it. And keep in mind, at 11 o'clock is that town hall meeting where Matt is gonna talk a little bit more about these really cool new accounts. So we'll probably do a little live stream. You know, I picked up a little popcorn so I can have a little popcorn and watch it. You know,
I ain't got no snacks. Hey, grandson, bring me some gummy bears and some fruit snacks. All right, thank you.
Oh, we tung 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 sakung. In my day, we just had tung. You know, that tung 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 sakung, that didn't come till way later, you know.
Oh, I see tung 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 in the MyFundedFutures chat. Oh, that's okay.
So oftentimes when we're falling into this new kind of realm over here where I don't see a lot of recent price action, I'm gonna like scroll back. This is on a 1 minute here. We're gonna see like a little bit of like, where are we really rejecting from? Like, do we really think this is the real rejection point here? Like, is that what happened in the past? Because all I know about is the past, you know? So is that where it happened in the past? Like, could this be the rejection, or are we gonna continue down to maybe this low here? So I like to target, when I'm looking for a target, I like to go to like the 4 hour, like a 4 hour wick that's kind of like sticking out of nowhere, like peekaboo, you know, like this guy. Like this for me, if I'm shorting, this is a nice target to hold all the way down to 762. I know it's 100 points away, but if we're looking at shorts and closing below, this is like my guy that I'm looking for. Let's get back to the 5.
So, brother, what I'm looking at is on the 30-minute time frame, 30 M. I'm looking for this 30-minute liquidity zone right here to get tapped to give me a little profit for a little small bounce. Biggity bounce. That's what I'm looking for.
Love it. I mean, look, that's exactly where I got my little yellow line, right? That's the bounce area. That's where the bounce usually happens. That's where we've been seeing bounces. So
I'm tired in. We're gonna see what you gonna do for my markets.
Let's go. We got that support right there at 830. So that's a great.
Oh yeah. Oh Jesus. Oh.
He did it again. He did it again. Let's see how we're gonna close over here. I gotta wait on a little candle.
Oh, I got a little happy. Oh, okay, I'm back.
Relax. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Deep breath. Deep breath.
I need some Bengay. Oh my God.
Bang up, Terry.
That was beautiful.
That was a beautiful bounce.
Gorgeous.
That bounce reminded me back in the 50s when we were dancing. I remember seeing some bounces. Yeah.
I remember back in my day, boy, I used to cut a rug, boy. I used to be the life of the party.
I know that's right. Where are we going here? Let's see. Still in this resistance area. I mean, I'm not against a bounce up, but I want to see how this candle closes. But we are in the area where the bounces happen.
So what you looking at over there, buddy? What you got next?
So, your liquidity zone, same as my bouncing resistance area, and that's where we're sitting in. So I do like a bounce. The problem is I want to make sure we're going to close above 830. That's kind of like my support level. So if we close above it, I'm definitely liking that bounce up. But if we close below it, I think we can go all the way down, even all the way down to like 760s, like a big move if we close below. So I'm kind of waiting on this 5-minute candle here to get an idea. Oh, let's see.
Right now, I don't see nothing. I'm just chilling with the family.
What was that? Can you say that again?
I said, I'm just over here chilling with the family, chilling with you, buddy. I love streaming with you, man. We always cut a rug over here.
Stop sign? What stop sign?
Oh, I didn't say stop sign, buddy.
Okay, let's see. Let's get a little closure here. You know, we need this closure. And you know what I'd love about the closure over here is that wick fill going up, because you know, ever since the 40s, I've been talking to you about wicks. Pause.
Oh,
so
pause.
you know, I see a big wig hanging out. Pause. And I'm definitely going to try to get up in that pause. So that's what I'm looking at right now. That's all I'm looking for. Let's see. I need a closure. I need closure. You know, some women complain men don't want closure. I want closure. They say commitment issues. I've been with MyFundedFutures for months. What are you talking about, commitment?
Oh boy, you know how to get them, boy. You talk to them. No cap.
No cap. Oh, let's see. Oh, there's that bounce up. There's that bounce. See, beautiful. But I just couldn't get in because I needed that closure. I need the closure. You know. All right.
Man, y'all could have grabbed so many profits off this. I just decided not to, because I'm 2-0 right now. We're doing decent.
I'll tell you, you know, I owe my Uncle Bob about $600, but he's not seeing this up in heaven right now. This is my money today. God bless. God bless. Oh. Keep moving. We keep it going. No one's in shorts. I see Shahid Trades is saying no. There's no trades live right now. We both took. I think Corey took 2 W's. I took 1 W. We already made hundreds of dollars. We could buy our parents' houses, retire them right now if we wanted to.
Oh, who you tell? We can get us a big old mansion.
My goodness, we might even be able to get one of those ice boxes in there. You know, so the food could stay cold.
Oh, I like that.
Let's see. This is a bounce. You know, it's like I'm still super bearish here, but from what I'm seeing, this is a great place for us to just bounce right up. You know, like that's where we did it before. That's how we climbed up this big mountain before. So let's see. I need the closure. Guys. Remember, guys, like and share, because there will be a giveaway. We need the likes up. We need the shares up. We need the subscriptions up. Then we get the giveaways up. And then we get more of these rapid end of day plans up.
It tastes good, make you want to slap your cuss, and I'll tell you.
That's right.
Hey, come here, son. Come here so I can slap you. Come here.
Oh, let's see. What do we got going on?
I'm thinking about a buy right now, buddy.
You know, a closure above here. I'm not against that. A closure above where we're I like it. I like a little retest, maybe then a push up. Let's see.
I'm ready. Let me see. I'm prepared. Let's see if we go back up just a little bit. All right, I'm in, buddy. I'm in just a little bit.
Let's do that. Come on.
I'm gonna see what it's gonna do. I got a 5-minute signal right here for a buy. I'm gonna see.
Come on.
No, don't come down. Take your tail back up there.
Send it up. Now I could call the market makers. In my day, I had to write it on a carrier pigeon and send it on its way. Now I can just call them. It's great.
If you don't go up, we're going to box. Put your dukes up. Come on. Take your tail up there. Come on. Push up.
Brain rot race. Form is in the chat. Brain rot race. Form in the chat.
We got brain rot. Okay. Y'all go
Cold
sign
ball.
that form, y'all.
I don't know why they made it cold ball. Does that have something to do with me? I hope not. It's making me feel self-conscious in my
Oh
own
my
age.
gosh.
Come on, let's get this Price to turn around right here. This is that rejection area again. Great place to turn around, Price. Price,
Come
this
on,
is a
Price.
great place for you to turn around.
Come on, Price. We down $42.
I would love to get in the buy too. I just need a closure a little higher up. I would love it. I love it.
Just a little bit more. Oh, I
Oh.
couldn't move it fast enough.
Come on.
Oh, okay. I'm grabbing
You
some
know,
profits.
at our old age, we can't move.
Oh, I grabbed some profits, buddy. Woohoo! I grabbed some profits. I feel like going to the grocery store.
running.
Oh, I could have got more. Oh,
You know-
Elizabeth, I'm going home. Coming home, Elizabeth.
Help,
Oh.
please.
Help me. Oh, my back. Oh, I'm getting excited over here.
Get the medication.
Bring me some Ben Guy and some icy hot.
Edna, get Corey the medication. His back went out again. Edna,
Again.
Edna, get the medication for Corey.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Whew. I got a little too excited, man.
Edna's making her way over there. She should have it for you soon.
All right, thank you, buddy. I sure do need it.
Oh man, you know, that was a beautiful buy. I gotta say, Corey, you know, sometimes I see a beautiful setup, I stutter a bit, you jump in that and you catch it. I'm like, and it's like, you know, our friend growing up, I think Jay-Z said it once. He said, if I ain't got to be a part of it, at least I got to witness, you know? And so I got to witness it, and that was just as good. Sure, I couldn't be in it, but I got to witness.
Hey, buddy, you speaking some balls over there.
You know.
Speaking of balls, we got any candy balls around here? I do need some. I need some chocolate over here.
I got some Werther's Original over here. I got the caramel little things over here.
Oh, the Werther's.
The
Oh
Werther's.
boy, that's the old candies.
All right, let's see. I'm still liking a buy over here. I might, if I could get a little pullback here, I would jump in a buy to fill this range back up to 2,900. Let's see if I can prep to get in this. Let's see if I can try something here. Let's see if I can get in for just a little bit. Try to make another quick two. Oh, too late there. Wait, let's see. A little pullback again. One more.
Come on, work
One
for
more
my
pullback,
buddy.
I'll get in it.
Come on. You better go down. Get him them profits right now.
Yeah.
I ain't playing with you.
I can't see what's happening. What am
Right
I?
now.
Ooh, I almost had a chance. Oh, all right.
Come on, put him up.
Auto rejected. Missed it again. Let's try it again. One more time. If it breaks its own high, I'm going to stop it. I'm not going to try it again. If we break the high, I missed my move because that's already from 874 to 886. That's already 10 points. Yeah, now it's breaking high. That's my fault. Stuttered again. You know, at our old age, our reactions are just not the same, you know?
It's okay, buddy. I believe you're going to get in there and get out.
Good thing about this is I already forgot what we were talking about.
Oh, that's what happens when we get old, man.
There's that push. We get one more pullback. I'm still going to get in here. Man. Oh. So yes, guys, keep in mind, we got that brain rot race coming up. Tung, 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 Sakor, Cappuccina, Ballerina, Bombardio, Sharcardio, Catalope, Catalina. We got them all, guys. Okay.
Buddy, what the heck did you just say? What's all them names?
I don't know. I don't even know what just happened. What was happening? I think I was having an episode. I don't even know what just came over me. I saw myself. I heard myself. But I said, well, what am I saying? Oh, man. Here we go. Okay, we're testing. See, man. I'm going to...
This thing is popping to the moon.
Popping, man. It's popping. I can't short it. I can't do it, guys. I caught one for 11 points and missed out on two for a good 10 points just because my knees and my arthritis in my fingers, you know.
Oh, you all right over there, buddy? I got my grandson that bought me some ointments.
Edna, get me some ointments for the arthritis. I need the ointments. Thank you.
All right, Edna, come on, my buddy need it. Come on, Edna.
All right, let's see what we got. You know, we're so like a lot of my intuition is telling me we're shorting here, but like, you know, it's when that intuition is telling you you're shorting that you should ignore that intuition, right? Because like that's what the market wants you to think. So I think I still got to wait here for another closure, unfortunately. We need more closure. We need more closure. Yeah, the new rapid plan is juicy, Shadow. That's right. Code YouTube gives an extra 20% off on that. Daily payouts up to 10K, by the way. Daily payouts up to 10K. News trading, no daily loss limit. End of day drawdown. I mean, they literally just said, let's give them everything they want. And let's see how that works. You know, that's literally what they said.
All jokes aside, that's crazy.
Yeah, it is a crazy plan. And oftentimes what a firm would do is release a plan like this, sell X amount of them because they're just like, let's see what happens here. So maybe sell 1,000 of them or something, and then wait a few weeks to see how they end up playing out to make sure it's a profitable and sustainable more than anything plan. So right now is a chance to buy them, because if in the future they figure like, you know what, this isn't sustainable, people are taking out 10,000 a day every day, this and that, they're going to just stop offering it. So you get them now, it's a good deal. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. Yes, there is going to be a race. The race was not yet, Red Dot. Did you get that short? Did you catch that short?
I didn't. I was too late. My reactions and my fingers is over here. Just I'm like, come on, press the button. Like Chris Tucker said, come on, press the button.
Press the button, man.
It was too slow.
Come on, press the button. Would you look at this?
Now I done missed all this.
Let's see. I might try to get into a little buy if price reverses here. Let's see. I'm gonna do a buy stop. So if price reverses, I'll be in it. And if it keeps pushing, I won't get activated. I'm actually gonna make it even a little higher. So I'm not in this trade yet. I got to buy a stop, anticipating this type of same thing to happen here, right? Price comes in, kind of turned around, right? That's kind of like what I'm hoping for or looking for.
I thought about a buy, buddy.
The other thing is it's 10:53. So really, if this doesn't get activated in the next like 2-3 minutes, it looks like it's about to get activated any second. But if it doesn't, I'm gonna just cancel it, because that hourly candle, plus we got the town hall starting at 10:30. I'll be eating my popcorn at 10:30, so I don't want to like choke on popcorn while I'm in a trade. We're at 11, so we'll see if I get activated here. We'll see.
Ooh!
Wow, look at that push, and that's why I do buy stops, because if I would have just bought, I would have got popped like I did back in the 40s. So we just cancel that. I just cancel that. Never, no harm, no foul. And I think we might be coming for this 762 down here.
I'm getting in for a buy, buddy. We just touched my 30-minute liquidity zone.
Let's go.
I'm gonna see what I can get out of this, buddy.
Come on, 700 views, guys. We're gonna be giving away more stuff. The more you share, the more people watch, the more giveaways. The more people use code YouTube, the more giveaways. The more everything. You know, it's just. You know, in my day, we didn't have YouTubes, we didn't have giveaways. You wanted a giveaway, you better find a rich uncle or somebody to get a giveaway from. There was no. Whoa, look at that push! Come on now.
Ooh, I'm taking it.
Adam.
Ooh, it's still going up, buddy. Oh, look at it. It look. Oh. I'm excited. It's still going. Should I go with it?
Advice. Not financial advice. It's still going. Not financial advice. It's going higher. Not financial advice, everyone. It's not stopping. He's getting more money. Not financial advice. Everyone, this is not financial advice. It's going higher.
I'm excited. I'm glad it.
Bring me my pills, Edna. I need the pills. I need my pills. I got too excited.
Oh, I got a little excited again.
That brought me back to the 1952 social that I went to. My heart hasn't beat that quick since then. Wow.
My heart is beating fast like a Lamborghini right now. It's a V12 and it's going fast and I can't keep up. Oh, goodness.
Beating fast like a portocini?
A what? What's that?
Did you say it's beating like a portocini?
Oh no, I said a Lamborghini.
Oh, a linguine. Yeah, that's good
Oh
pasta.
yeah. I love I love
Frappuccinos. Yeah.
yeah.
I like
There you go.
frappuccinos.
There you go. Woo!
All right. We keep it going here. See, I would love a closure. Look at this wick getting filled. I'd love a closure. My problem right now is we are too close to that hourly candle. And that hourly candle, I've just learned my lesson, you know? This is the only hourly candle I'll hold this candle. This is that hourly candle, but that's it. That hourly candle, I stay back. I'm a spectator. I'll take a quick nap. I just napped for that hourly candle.
You did? Oh, that was so quick.
Oh, let's see. Okay, we got wick fills here. So, you are on fire, Corey. What's that? That's 4-0 right there. Crush.
I don't know what happened. Maybe it was the Kool-Aid I drank this morning. My grandson made some raspberries, some lemonade, and he added a little bit of strawberry Kool-Aid. And I'm like, oh, grandson, that's good.
I'm gonna have to get some of that.
It's
Give
good.
me some Kool-Aid and put a little lean in it if you could. Thank you.
Yeah, come on, Edna.
Okay, here we go. See, I'm still wanting a short, but I need this closure. We're at the hourly. So are we gonna be? We're gonna be watching oh, we're not showing the town hall. We're not showing. So we're gonna just keep it going then. We're gonna just
okay.
I mean, if anyone has questions about those great new accounts, we're happy to answer them because, I mean, like I said, you know, in my day, there was nothing even close to this. Daily payouts, $10,000. I mean, what am I, the owner of the world? 10,000.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Let's see where we close over here. Let's get a nice little closure. We can close respecting or tapping this EMA. I would then get into a short right here. You know, most definitely. Most definitely. What is town hall? Okay, Abhishek asked about. So right now, you know, there's a brand new plan, the rapid end of day, taking the prop firm world by storm, like that great storm in 1911. Remember that time? It was crazy
Oh
snow.
gosh.
I had to walk uphill both ways and no shoes. It was crazy. You remember?
Barefoot.
So it's a little talk about that, but yeah, this is a great new plan. Daily payouts up to 10,000. No consistency unfunded. No DLL. End of day trailing. End of day not trailing. And what else you got? You got no news. You got no DLL. I mean, it's really everything you're looking for in a prop account right now. You know, it really is. Let's see what's going on. Let's get a little closure. You know, I want to buy my whole family a house. And so far, I made $215 on that one trade, and that's enough for like 2 houses. But I need like 3 more houses. I want to try to catch another maybe 20, 30 points over here.
I believe Buddy can do it, Buddy. But I look up to him, y'all. He the negative RR man, and he be killing.
Oh, you're too kind. You're too kind. Oh, I dropped this. Put on my negative RR crown.
Oh yeah, I see you, King. Ooh, Agner, you see, King.
It's cold on the head. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Oh, let's see. Look at that push.
This thing still pushing.
Right before the close, let's see. We close respecting. I'd wait another minute or so before jumping into maybe a sell.
Oh man, I'm watching the chat. What chat talking about?
Oh, it's let me see. I gotta hold up the candle there to read chat.
So guys, how are we doing on the likes, Buddy? Let's see what we're up. We got, Buddy, we got 587 people watching the show right now.
That's bigger than my whole town that I grew up in.
Oh, and we only 15 likes away from 500.
We gotta do that. Send the carrier pigeon. Edna, send the carrier pigeon. We need more likes. Get us some more likes, Edna. Thank you.
We can't hear the sound effects, but bring that sound effect. Back it up, Terry. Come on, Terry. Bring a 15 likes, Terry.
I'm gonna put a stop sell over here. If price turns around,
if this candle flips, I'm anticipating it to keep coming down and fill this range. If it keeps going or closes above here or stutters for a little too long, I'm just gonna cancel this order. But I'm looking for a sell here if this candle flips. That's where that's where I'm at right now.
I see that the market is respecting this 3-minute supply zone.
Oh, and I'm in. Not the best fill, but all right. Let's see if I just got wicked in for the sniper exit, if you will.
I know you can do it. Come on, buddy. I know you can. You can do it.
Let's keep it moving. Oh man, it's looking good. There we go. Keep it pushing. I'm looking for another quick 100 or so on this, you know.
Yeah, it came and filled the 3-minute gap, buddy. It looks great on my end as well.
Come on, we need this little push. If it closes above or starts going above 864, I might just get out of this trade a little early. We'll see. I would have liked this to really push down by now. Would have liked this to push down by now.
Come on. It got good. Give us some momentum down.
Come on. Push the button.
Push the button.
Push the button.
Come on, push the button.
Man. Hey, man. Push the button, man.
In my day, we used to work 6 years to make $400. Now here I am going on one NQ.
Boy, have times changed.
Man, this was not it. Oh, this was not it. Let me look closer. Oh yeah. Oh, I got into a sell instead of a buy. I see my problem.
Oh, you did?
I see the problem. If I would have bought, I would have been up right now. I see the problem. I get it.
It's okay.
I see it now.
It still look good, though.
I'm not giving up hope. We got a stop loss in place for a reason. I didn't get a closure above yet. If I would get a closure above that 860, that would be a reason to maybe close this trade early and just take that L. But we didn't close above. The fact that we're still alive is just a beautiful thing. I mean, in real life and in the trade.
Yeah, making money while laughing.
Let's see. Oh, there's a nice push. There we go.
There we go. Come on.
There we go. All right, take a quick 100.
Come on. There we go. Good job, buddy.
There we go.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's why we got stops in place. That's why we got them there.
Everybody cheer them on. Hip, hip.
Come on.
Hooray.
Hip, hip, hooray. Wait, what just happened? Hip, hip. I'm cheering too.
Hip, hip, hooray.
And you know, the thought on this trade, listen, guys, also a lot of people who follow me make a lot more money because they'll let a trade run. They've got more cojones, as we say. So maybe that's how you trade, and hope maybe you're still in this trade and running with it. Me, I take my W's, I walk away after that trade. If it keeps running a TP, it doesn't concern me. I'm like Kermit the Frog. It's like, you know, that doesn't concern me none. So if you're still in it or anyone's in it, I'm looking for these wicks, pause, to get filled, you know, right down here. So that's my current like trade on this, but I'm out. I was trailing stops aggressively and I got tagged out there. I think I made $80 on that one.
I'm looking for a real small one, buddy. I'm gonna try to take one micro right here.
Okay. Yeah, I'm liking these wicks down to 794. I'm saying.
Okay. We're gonna see what this thing gonna do.
Don't forget, chat. We got that dong. Sahur. Coming up.
I'm looking for a real small one, buddy.
Come on. Let's get a nice little push here.
Oh, well, it didn't want to give it to me. I was looking for it to come down here about halfway. It's okay.
You know, I think I kind of want to get in that same. I think I want to try to do the same thing. Maybe just come down there to fill this wick. Let's see if we can get a push up first. See if I can get a push up first here, and then no, don't tell me I'm too late again. I'm too late to the show again.
Sales look mighty nice right now, buddy.
Yeah, they do. Let's see. I get into a sell stop. Oh, I'm in. Oh, not a great entry, but okay, we're up 60. Up 35, up 45.
I'm in as well, buddy. I'm
Give me a
in.
nice push. Give me a nice one here.
I'm in as well, buddy.
When we were up that 60, I was thinking it. I was thinking of taking that 60. Oh, 50, 105. There we go. That's what we're looking for. 190.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I couldn't move fast enough. My reaction time is so slow.
Got him.
Oh, I'm out of there. There we go.
Oh. Nice. Up 350 right now on the funded. Love it.
Take that. You take that. Get off my lawn. Get off my porch.
Chad, I know you're watching some unks trade and we took all W's so far and all that, but this is not financial advice. Not financial advice, okay? Just because we keep taking W's does not mean this is financial advice. It's two unks living life and, you know, just trying to make the most that we can, you know, trying to take a little crumbs from the market, you know.
We just making it happen, Captain.
Oh, there we go. There we go. I mean, look, these wicks are just loving to get filled. So a lot of people that like, when we're looking barcodey, we don't like to trade it. They want a direction, but really barcodey is a direction, right? You're kind of seeing where the highs are. You're seeing where the lows are. And if you could just not hold the trade too long and just scalp in there for 5 to 8, 12 points, you can really get paid in the barcode. I mean, you know, when we were growing up, the barcode was just one line. It was just one line. It's like, that's your barcode. Now they got like 9 lines. You know.
It's like, you remember the old games, buddy, whereas the ping pong, you push back and forth. This look like what's happening right here. Ping pong, just going in between, buddy.
You know, saying that, it's looking like we're at the top of the ping, so maybe we should get in for a quick little pong.
Pong, there you go.
If we're at the top of the ping, then maybe I get in for a quick little pong, right? Let's try that. Try to get in for a quick pong over here. For a quick little ping to a pong. Now, if we close above here in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to cancel this order.
Yeah, I got you.
And you see, this is why I'm always putting sell stops, right? So far, I think there were 3 trades that if I would have just got in to sell, I would have got, or buy, I would have got popped. So, oh, and we in. We in. Uh-oh.
Oh, come on down.
Oh. Oh. Come on. Don't just come on. Take me in there. Don't just come on down and take me in. Do not just come on down to take me in. You know, if you're coming on down, take me to the TP, not the stop loss.
Coming on down, coming on down, come on down, coming down.
Just looking for this range to fill down. Now look, we close above that 860 again. I'm probably going to close this trade early if we do. But right now, we close below, we keep respecting, we're pinging, we're ponging. We just pinged, so we should have ponged. Like if someone says, what's your analysis? I say, well, we pinged. So I assume after a ping, we usually pong.
Pong, there you go.
Sometimes it pings, you know, and
self-explanatory, but
no one likes to get ping, but I'm trying to do ping, pong.
Yeah.
Let's see. What are you looking at? What setup are you eyeballing right there?
Right now, I'm nervous to take anything because we in between here.
Oh, that wasn't what I was looking for. Whoa. All right, I think this is going to be my first L over here. Again, negative RR, so this L will wipe out my W's, but we just keep scalping. You know, that's part. A strategy is only as good as the losses it could take. If your strategy can't take an L and keep ticking, it's not a survivable strategy. So I understand I take an L here, I lose my W's that I had so far, and I got to keep it moving. But that's what I'm going to do because that's what I've always done. And on the long run, the payouts keep coming, and I'll still get paid out. So that's kind of see, we just closed above there. I'm gonna move my I'm gonna make my stop loss way smaller here.
Gotcha. I see you.
We closed above. No point in holding a trade that's looking like it's going against you that you don't have trust in anymore, right? Like I don't have trust in this trade no more. So I move my stop lower, and if I get stopped out, I take less of a loss. There it is, right? Oh, almost.
If anybody can come back, I know it's you.
Yes, sir. So we're gonna keep it going. We are going to keep it going.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I have no problem if new candles come up and start showing me something different. I have no problem taking my L sooner than anticipated, just because it's going to closure above, and I could just, you know, read the writing on the wall. Like, it looks like we're closing above, we're filling this wick, we'll come up back over here, which is where we're going now. So move my stop, take a smaller L, mitigate my loss, and we keep it going. We live to see another day. We live to see another day. And that's all we try to do at this age, you know.
We're going to see. Buddy, I might take a buy right here. I don't know.
I like it.
So I'm done with this other account that I'm trading, buddy. I made on my funded account, I made $463 today on this account. This account, I only need $90 more to be at the buffer.
Yes, sir.
I need $90 more to be at the buffer. We done with this. I'm gonna take a page out of your book. I'm finna scram. Oof. Next account.
Let's see what we got. But yeah, that is the move. See, if I had all my marbles in me, I would have done that after being up to 400 in the account and then taking this L. So now I'm down about 100, but we're gonna keep it, or down 180. But that's just one or two W's. It's part of the game. You got to be able to take the L and keep it moving. Got to be able to.
I'm in for a buy, buddy.
Oh. Remember, guys, we got a giveaway coming. Like, share, do all the fun stuff. Oh, we're starting right now.
Oh, we doing something? Oh, I didn't see it. My bad.
Here we go.
Oh, who we got? Come on.
Oh, we got Rick Francis. We got KO Mana taking the lead. KO Mana, Crocodilo Bambalilo. We got Elefanto Sneakerillo.
What we doing?
You know, in my day, we didn't have talking bats, okay? You know, we would have talking animals and talking bats, like a talking, you know, gorilla, like a talking bat holding a bat. Like, we didn't have that in my day, you know, everybody knows if you press 1, your guy goes quicker, right? You guys know that in the chat. When you press 1, your guy goes so much quicker. That's why Crocodilo Bambadillo is running so fast, and Bambalila Cappuccina. Oh my goodness, look at that cat meow meow. Song, Orange Muscle Man running through. Oh,
we got a muscle man orange. Look at this.
In my day, oranges didn't have such big muscles.
No, they didn't. And then we got sharper legs. Look at this. Oh, we got the coconut elephant.
Coconut elephant. Elefanto coconutto. Oh, the first 20 win, but the first 20. Congrats.
Good job.
Man, that trade actually then turned bearish when I got out. So listen, yeah.
Yep.
Maybe I should have held, maybe not, but I don't think that way. I do notice it, but I would have done the same thing. You know, way better to take an L early and it price turns around than let it run when you think you should close it and then get a bigger stop, you know. But look at that push, man. Right back down.
I'm thinking about getting it for a sale. I'm looking for the breakout, buddy. I just lost this trade going to the upside.
Congrats to free accounts, everyone.
Congratulations. Good job, y'all.
Remember, code YouTube gets 20% off on these great new accounts. So take advantage while you can. Oh, let's see.
I'm looking for a sale.
You're looking for a bigger push down over there. Okay, you're in it. Let's go.
We're going to see. Right now, it don't look good. It look like I want to play around again.
You know, that's that whole little bounce area over there. See, they were pinging and ponging, but I timed my ping wrong. I thought the ping was down here. The ping was actually up there.
Yep.
I got out-pinged and out-ponged.
So far, we up a little bit. Let's see if I can grab some back.
You over there?
Not yet.
This is like, see, my only hesitation with a sell here is it's a rejection area with all those wicks and like a support area for me. So it's like, I think if it does push, it will keep going all the way down to like 790, like down, down, down.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Taking. Oh, I'm moving my stop loss.
Oh, look at that money. Look at that money.
Oh, I'm getting out.
Get it. Just take it. Take some.
Get out of here.
Oof. Let's
You being ornery. I'm sick of that. Put him up.
Big move. Big move. Still pushing. Oof. Man, look at that go. Look at that go.
I couldn't move it fast enough. It's okay.
That's good. That was a nice dub. Another beautiful trade. Beautiful trades happening over here.
Well, you both winning. That's all that matters.
At this age, we got it.
Oh.
So this is now like a new little rejection area, pretty much that low, 798-ish, that 800 mark. So, the last few times the candles reached into there, they popped up, right? Like last time was this morning at 4 o'clock in the morning. We touched that area and bounced up. Then we touched it again at 10:50, bounced up. I mean, and now we touched it again and we bouncing up. Something to watch. That's a nice, took it at a perfect time too. So now you're looking for a bounce over there. I like
yes,
it.
Sir. I'm looking for a sweep. I'm looking for the market to come sweep this, maybe touch the bottom and get in for a buy.
Like it. I like it. I like it. Let's see.
I'm waiting. I don't want to do nothing else right now because we playing in this area. It's got to make a move somewhere else.
I'm gonna try a little ICT maybe on the bottom. See, pretty much same move as you. A little sweep and a bounce up is pretty much what I'm looking for.
Yes, sir.
Quick little sweep. Quick little sweep. Pretty much 798 and then jump right back up to 802. I'm just looking for a quick 4 ski over here, in my day, the market didn't move 4 points in a week.
No. It was so slow like a turtle.
The updates would be once a month and nothing was changing. Oh, what a time to be alive. Oh my goodness. Goodness. What in the...
What the... goodness.
Oh,
what happened?
Gracious. Goodness gracious. Goodness. Right down to... But... What? Yes, rapid is a one-time payment. The rapid end of day is one-time payment, guys. Yeah, that was a big WTF candle right there. What was that?
That was nasty. That's nasty for you.
Whew. Ouchie, ouchie. Yeah, I don't think anyone was really expecting that one.
Nope.
Well, good thing I don't remember it anymore.
Hey, we old enough to forget, so hey, it'll work.
That's it. Went down to that wick sweep that I marked up in the beginning of the stream. That 4-hour kind of wick sticking out where I'm like, I think price could come as a target. Went right down to that boy and flipped around. That's crazy.
I was looking for it to come back down. Now it's going back up. Ain't that something? Ain't that a hoo-nanny? Now, when I got in, you wanted to go the other way. What's up with that?
What's up with that? Exactly. What is up with that?
Come on, Jack.
Let me get a better look here at this chart. Closure over there. Midnight over there. Okay, then we swept there. And then the wicks were. We got support over. Okay, yeah, I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't know. Let's see. That's a nice wick to get filled, pause. I mean, I might just have to
get in for a sale, buddy.
Yeah, I might have to try the same thing here.
I'm getting in for a
just
sale.
Try to ride this whole thing down.
Sale.
Let's see.
I'm looking at least to get TP right here. We're gonna see.
Gotta say,
I might not get it, but okay.
Not feeling well. This account is not feeling well. I will tell you that.
I'm looking for this week to get filled fully, almost fully. Pause.
Come on. Come on. Last chance before a reroll, guys. If you're in the chat and you missed out on there were a few winners, I think, that didn't claim. You got to claim it. You got to claim it. Bro, that was a wicked candle. Yes, that candle wicked me and got me good, man. That was a good one. But, sometimes you get lucky and you're on the right side of that. And sometimes you do get very unlucky, like what happened here with me. But we're going to see. We're going to try to make it with this account.
I'm getting some movement, buddy. I'm holding it. We came and did a 5-minute gap fill. I'm looking for it to continue all the way down. Come on.
We're not asking for much here. We're not asking for too much.
Are you in a trade as well, buddy?
Yeah. I got into pretty much the same sell as you, I think. I think you got a better fill. I think you're in at what, 820?
Oh, that's not good. Oh, here you go. Want to play around.
Congratulations, winners. Yes, someone's saying it's dumping. I'm hoping it's dumping. We're not dumping fast enough, I'll tell you. I think I might need to up the prescription on my bifocals, maybe.
Oh my gosh.
That's been the issue over here. Let's see. We still in this.
This thing is playing patty cake. Come on.
Guys, again, if you just joined in the chat, this is just two unks trading, catching up on how we used to trade back in the 1900s. We also want to make sure you guys know about that rapid end of day plan, man. That account is fire. You're going to be seeing on TikTok and Instagram people posting. I know there's going to be people going for those $10,000 daily payouts. You're going to see some people posting stuff. It's a great account to be able to try out while you can, because like I said, if too many prop guys start making money, the prop firm's gonna have to get rid of it for sustainability. You know what I mean? So pick it up while it's limited availability, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just saying, 20% off code YouTube, $10,000 daily payment. Stop.
You can't beat that.
Stop it. Oh, let's see. Oh. Mr. Duorp, thanks for coming through. Yes, go get that sunlight. Congrats to all the winners. I'd love to see some payouts. You get any payouts on any of these accounts, winners, please tag me and Corey on Twitter. Tag us. Let us know that you got a payout. Let us know you passed an eval. That's the whole point of these free evals. We want to see people getting paid, getting those daily payouts, passing evals, So please share it. Please share it. Oh.
Y'all, we need 3 more. Come on, we need 3 more likes, y'all, for the stream. Get 500 likes and get this market to go down. Come on.
Come on, we need a little bit more of a push here. There you go.
I'm looking for more. No, I ain't taking it just yet. It's playing with me. Come on, Sulio.
Come on.
Get down there. Oh, that's just nasty. That's just disrespectful. How she gonna do me?
These candles are just disrespectful.
Look at this. It immediately reversed.
How you gonna go from 7 points in my profit to 20 points in my stop loss? I mean,
oh my gosh.
How does that even happen?
It didn't even get to about half of 1 to 1. I was down. Get your behind back there, Lucille. Come on. This time I'm taking this.
Edna, send the price lower. Send it lower, Edna.
Come on, Edna. There we go. Come on down.
Pushing.
Go down there, girl. Come on.
Come on. I got my stops and profit there. 275, 315. Let's keep it going.
There we go.
225, 255, 225.
There we go.
280, 280, 215, 280.
Now we take the 215. All right, we take that.
We got it. All right, now.
We take that money. This is just how we try to end the stream. We just try to end it on a W. That's just
what a great dub, buddy. You got that dub. Oh, you still in it?
Oh, no. I took that dub. I took it.
You took it. All right.
I mean, I mean, you remember when we were growing up, it wasn't called W yet. They just called it Dub. You know, and then they're like, you know, yeah. As a Dub got older, it's like W. You know, call me W. Like kind of like Lil Bow Wow said, like, call me Bow Wow now. You know, drop
Bow Wow Wow, yippee-yo, yippee-yay. Where are my dogs at? We winning trades now.
Even though we're winning trades, guys,
This is not financial advice.
okay?
None whatsoever.
Please. Just show them what we do over here. See green, take green. Exactly. Exactly, Wyatt. That's exactly what we doing. You know we'll be back on Monday. Probably, maybe looking younger, maybe looking older. I guess we'll see.
Oh man, Monday we gonna come fresh to death.
Oh. Yeah.
Hey, have you noticed, man? They love Ike and Corey together. Have you noticed that?
I mean, how could they not? We've been together as long as I can remember.
Oh my gosh!
I don't know another world. If there's an Ike, if an Ike without a Corey's a crime, lock me up. Throw away the key. I'm guilty. I don't want that. I do not want an Ike without a Corey. No, huh?
What? Anywhere you see what? What you say? Yup.
Stop sign. What stop sign?
I don't know. Anytime you see Ike, you see Corey. Anytime you see Corey, you see Ike. We go back like 4 flats on a Cadillac in a 6-4. Ooh! A Oldsmobile.
Knows it. You know it. Why can't anyone confirm if the giveaways are for rapid end of day or regular rapid? I'm sure someone will confirm RKKDK if that's your real name. But I'm sure you're getting something. That's the problem. That's for sure. You know. And listen, I'm trading a rapid now, I think, and my plan is to get a payout here and buy a few more of those rapid ended days. You know, house money is the key in prop firms, right? Even though people want to go quick, buy 30 accounts, copy trade them, try to get buy one account, get a payout. Buy more accounts, get a payout. Now you could start copy trading. You grow your army like that. But if you go fast, one mistake and you blow them all up. It's go slow and go with house money. That's the way. You know, if I'm buying evals, it's because I just got a payout. You know, like that's when I'm buying evals.
I like that. Only spend money when you get the payout.
That's it. House money. This is a nice trade to hold, but I can't hold, Corey. You know that. I've been telling you that's been my problem since the 1900s. I just can't.
I can't. Nope. You done taught your buddy a valuable lesson. Take the money when it's there.
Take the money, because at our age, we don't know if we'll be able to take it later, right? We got to take it while we can.
I ain't taking nothing.
Guys, we'll be back at it again on Monday. Be another roundtable on Monday. The week's halfway through. I think Friday is NFP, or there's a big news event Friday morning. Let me just confirm that for everyone watching, because that's something to just keep on your radar. Yes, Friday, 8:30, NFP, a big red folder day on Friday. So just keep that in mind for trading. Friday is going to be a big moving day. So be careful, make some money now, and maybe take Friday off, because, those big moving days, no one wants to lose on a Friday, right, Corey? We want to enjoy the weekend.
Facts. So we got 1 more minute, brother. Do you got any last words for our viewers?
Viewers, I just want to tell you, I believe you can be profitable. I believe everyone can be profitable if you kind of stay with what you can get and understand. Don't take on too much. Don't try to get stuff that sounds crazy that you don't that's not really clicking with you. Find something that clicks. Like Corey and I both have a same like rejection liquidity area that we see price bounce from. Like, we're just looking for simple touches in there. We're not over analyzing. We're not thinking we're just figuring out the market. We're just looking for common patterns and expecting them to happen again. We're not smart enough to outsmart ourselves, and I think that's the trick for everyone to become profitable. Just remember you're not that smart, and you'll stop trying to trick yourself.
Ooh, that was balls right there. Hey, to end the stream. Woo! Buddy is on fire, y'all. We hit 500 likes. Y'all come on. Sherman. Greatly appreciate y'all. We done had a great stream today.
Shout out you guys.
My brother Forex site, Core the phone trader. We signing out as us. We will see y'all later.
See you later, guys.